for mema wache baby awo biara ebia na woni Ghana memo ha ana baby awo na de asa memo adwo e ma akwaba edeba Adom TV jumedi ato ne din kranhye mreso edi am yeso ani ni tekotego muyiri sha ho ye ma kire se suban bi wo ho ani ne ye bi wo ho a ene si ye edi akwan baako you always assume the worst abribia no bibi ni a mi ye yie mi ye nko yie mi ko kan e be sen very often you pass judgments about yourself and about others abane se ko e bibi no won hya hye pon ko ye o si ade a me ko ye me ko na anye ye be sere me ko na anye ye a mani begu ase me ko na anye ye a ade na si kwan sa obepesua hunu ene suban betibi da ayo a ebeye asise wo de ehu na aka wo na anu bi kura de abrante bi oso opeyere o sha baba na baba no so muna nanim se na baba na nya se wo muna na nanim tie o so mi ko kasa me penu yo beye me ampani ampa wanti me anka ngira baba no baba no ko re nkaka na abrante bi frɛ no na abrante ne di ko no ne so se se ga no mi se de afri wonsa ekɔ se bibi ba wadwen pono so ne ade papa nko ano don't think there's an easy way out of anything you want to do. Stop and think hard about what you can do to make it work. Ade bi anyi wa emre awasase so. Ade bi anyi wa emre edemanipa. Na mo munya suahunu na akudro ni subampa obeyo. Hwe if you think things can get cheap for you to do, nothing can be cheap. Cheap things can cost you. Ade be afubia no obenya mane enti ko bibia emohu memmo ho sobo memmo obi ane se dabi nyakudro na pesuahunu na kase ade wi metimi ayo emana ayeye. Most people are stuck in their past because of a past experience. Ebi akoye bi na anya yiye enti eba yo say enesu biom ukoya anya yiye no usua bibi firi mu ukoya anya yiye no hifa na usinto efre bae ukoya anya yiye no de na anko yiye fa yasuahunu na sanfa ye biom. Most of us have a negative mindset. We think the worst will happen to us if we try. Bibre na bibia me kosom me de me frantomago me de ekoda me 90 me na chese sansem na aka kire ho ena wabrabo aka de aka onua nia obi atimi ayo no uso betimi aye baby obi afura koduro no uso betimi afura kodu nia obi ayo no kra ba ya broso na emum ebe hia se won kansem a ya baguro o wadwen proso so benya koduro na wapesua hunu ene nyansa na wakanya ho na wakase nia obi ayo akoduro no metimi aya aboatra me de mentra ho da bia ma obi nkoye emfra memre nkodi mesuso metimi aye bi na very often your own words, your own ideas and intentions become bad habits that block your progress. Think right, think positive, act right, think about what you can do to make your life better and to make the life of others better. Think about what you can do to add value to you. Think about enhancing your knowledge and increasing your understanding of things, and do what you can do in the best way you can. Dwene se obetimi aye bibi pe adesuade gu wadwen proso na pentriase efa de awosua no efa ne nyansa na efe ode ekoto na bompaye na fansa so bibim na ye attempt mpo na ye mpo na anya yi a wona wo ye a na anya yi a na wasua de afrimu na akoso aye men kada se me ko ye enye yi me ko kan emfa yi je se wa ko kan wonim se woni suban ya de kan te pesuban ya de kan na pesuban ya de yo penyansan ya de kan na penyansan ya de yo na wo somu a ebe yi onyame nkan ho aha ena meja wo meda sound osmosis and camera ima and as MCR and a production team Randolph Priscilla and Ejawabek ase wa wonya amrehwe me no wonya me enhyirawo aha na meja wo na me nya fide ni mfiri ha Badwam adwumade na bekoso enti no me do nyame ejawo makrao
Badwam TV Badwam so ni tekotego yeda sin kranshan sama no pay odi amaye de edu so no Adom TV Badwam kase ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini nana ene ne manfo ama aban no nafo adu obepamo eye galamsefo ni nyina emfiri eye achim himan entisa 10 days na chi obete wonka yede ho no ebebro kwanta South Assembly no so aye ne se ememu anu a wo mo ekofa ye bridge bi so obu wo mu go mu no womo eka ni nyina no assembly no afa eno ne nsembi ena no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase yedem live wo Go TV channel no ye 119 ena DSTV channel no eye 280 YouTube nso Adom TV 2 ye hyeho mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den samni chiremu ankasa etie nananom ne adehye ya wonmo wa achim himan eben osino Ofanti akwa South mensi mu wapoye mantemu se wode nafo adu ato aban no eso assembly no posifo and afa regional coordinating council no illegal miners anase glamsefo bia obeje won kro no aboso no omepamo mu nyina enfenfiri ho fi se wo mu se wonsu wansuwa ene won mu nsase Adom kase etwaso
anase wotwemu anye bi pranim se obese nsu a aso water resources ko mu yipie ko water resources asa na ebe ma kwanse ko se ensu omanfo enom won ba be hu oman no enso obi a me hu ye ena obusu se sa enemen wo na gana no ye se enye a ye behwe no na yesu ene ye dwafade nyina se afa ni ye kope calabash anase kura ni akọ amayofo se mon kope ensu oban na nakufu ado so se ye hu a ye nka
manfo bi ene amane boni twetwe nkomo efa nsem a ohini edi tu dwa no ehu
ye hu de beye ne agya we ne wan aba tize obehwe no anajo no ye adwuma obekọ afumu no no already ya say kokod anase efuo no ne ase no ebi okura na wunhu no kura no wakati bia akọji compensation ediane ne ade a ehaye
na wutru nsuo no wa na wasi wutrase eye wani wo ye wa wura se kura sabi ye firi so ye niam nyina ese ye sira ye mpanimfo omu ka ewom na omu ka omu tu omu na isisu omu ye adwuma ne se ye sira wom
Nkwanta South Municipal Chief Executive Bright Lenwa wadi atuja sa assembly no ebefa mofra na memu anu a enso dejebo bridge no kwasi ada ne bu wonu mgu mu no yedo akwa kopie mo ewa Yeresabia Adom TV etwaso
Nsensem ya esisi ewo Nkwanta na medikan kai se semrusi ye de hu amane boy command penyifo se ye bridge ewo Nkwanta konfini fini no abubu a ya tafrim wo kra na ebedu pepenso America se ye sheda ewu na mo road ministry through the federal roads department any of the bridges unit afa na yakosara esra omuse ombedani omani so abehwe
mesini krachi ni amane boni nkomo twetwemu ene wadi tu dwa se onom ebo modin ase won sabe campaignfo na waba be siesie nsamso no amatemamufo sebe ya obetimi abo akra ene japade ho ban
Arawusim se o se abdelu asiase no ameka se ye mpese ye tnas na bibi boni bi esi ansa na ya sorry si ye hu bibi ya kokase mpenifo wo kro no mu na asem koso no asem boni se koso ye ntu ho anamo nti bre bia be kase ye be sorry so entem na mbom na is very unfortunate se embo na ayere no embo no enya embaye na mbom be koso ra kase obi anye ahweyiye ye nkwa ho ehia esini adwumadie biara ye pese ye tena ye cross bridge eba kroma na say ye call the other side of the town say be kwa koye o bana say enye ya san wachi won kwa eno na ochina bi betumi aka se efi ekwan na yeye bridge na yeye me ba nkwanta kroma ba di dwuma se ni ade
Adom TV Badwam kase na o hwe no na committee chair de Emma IGP leak tape no Yura Samuel Atachia oso wo ma se nya na efoforo bi ai no so committee no age kotie ni ye na for de atoto de omo dada no ho ne ho nsem kan ye Adom TV etwaso
nhwehwemu edefa tape bi ababeto dwa efa womanfo bi a womo ebo pose womo ebeyi Inspector General of Police IGP Akufudam Pare efiri na konya eso no sa committee no asan akotenas na bra womo ekotenas na na beto dwa se tape foforo bi ababepie mu edefa IGP ne ho ensensem eho asan so ababeto dwa se aposifo mpenifo bi nso atro enkrata ede abema committee no chairman edema parliamentary ad hoc committee Samuel Atachia ene Adom News Central for
The petitions were brought to us, so we've not even read them, not perused the petitions. But trust us as a committee that there is nothing of consequence that will brush it aside. It's going to be a very comprehensive interrogation. So if people want to aid us to do our fact finding, we will not block them. We've also just seen that some police officers have even taken the IGP to court in relation to their promotion. So I've instructed that they should first the writ, so that we know the content of what is pending in court, the rest of it. As you see, we might not divulge our sources, because then you block people from giving us information. But we have a tape, which is supposed to be the comprehensive tape. We'll look at it. If you told the world that it was Kwesi Mensah who brought me the tape, we might not get the next tape, or the final tape, or whatever it is, or this information, or that information. We've heard about the Whistleblowers Act.
Vice Chairman, Dema Parliament Committee on Finance. One also your kind Central Rashebejani Patrick Yabuama, and I would to a Kokuma one Rashebeja Fieno F4 Ewo Yechra or Pessoye, Editia a year Bank of Ghana, no so mu ye pa na one more entrenchia and Kokika be a baby actually. Bosia ye here a free and for honor, a quack on your how it was so. On Adom Cassie, Edin Comway.
A group or a body is embarking on a demonstration that the police has altered their routes. It's not the first time. It's not as if the Bank of Ghana is saying we are not going to even receive your petition. It's the content of your petition that is the most important. Where you want to deliver it, sometimes I don't believe it's very important. You want to organize a protest, you want to present a petition. Sometimes groups want to petition Parliament. They come to the main street, just opposite the conference center, and the leadership are allowed to bring the petition to the leadership. They receive it at the forecourt of Parliament. It happens. Even Jubilee House, they send people out there to receive it. It's a matter of discretion by the security to at least ensure that the peace around an institution of the central bank is guaranteed. It's very important. Matters like this also can affect a lot of things around the bank. Central banks work with confidence, and if internationally issues such as this are seen to be affecting the confidence, it can also affect the entire economy. Like I said, we are trying to rebuild our economy. We've gone through a lot of challenges, and a lot of measures have been put in place. We are still negotiating our external.
Movement for Truth and Accountability. Sanokrebie nim say nyumakuo no a wo bo wo mo esobo ewo onyuma bi a wo yemu no wo mo sa Truth and Accountability movement yi wo ma sa ko wo mo ho gigi sika free wo mo no krebia enim enti di wo mo gina no wo mo gina sa prepare ye no kwaredie ebe PNT eno do wo ma kopie mo ewo yoku na Fishraj enti no krenim se bia wo ma sa atwa wo ho ekọ nyumakuo ho kwa gisika Adom TV etwaso
ye no akontabo di prepare ana ye ne de baaye ye ti ko na che kakra a je se ekwanim kakra ba ye fie be nsia na nso ni ye kwa ya register general ye nkrata nyina di mo kwa active bro nse active e gina na so na ye de insem bebra tututu dwa amanfo bebre na anim buru make allegations ebi ho a enye me allegations me de list no bebre ama nipa bi no mu ameni wo mu san ko mu so fan ko ya luta radio so na mu so me push agenda anse ne a wo mu ka ebi ya beton kofo aso enti no list na ko nipa bebre ho no mu a ebi no asate jijisika e won kofo e pa ncho movement no ya ante se ye be blackmail obi ana se ye be hunhun obi si ye kono wakwa jisika bi ono no enti de e pa che no pese wo ye company na mpacho obi aba ho aba jisika misro ko ne kokko jisika movement no suma obi a enti en de to o se case de koma iroko ne shrage ne we ni ade nyina no ye se yiri nyina afiri ho 14 months ni afi ba ko osumienu no ye ntehwe enti eyi case nyina afiri ho ne de akokot ebi wa de koma kisi ajaben ye free court ne ko ye san ko gini nyina afiri ho bronsa discontinue the case ni asa de akokot ni ehun se court kura na de ko ya kafi ba ko ne fani
asasibura mekere enkran gamanche ni taki teko chu ena nei ye hwahwa no pa fitafi homo wodie no de shonkokra ya nte basabasa ye basabasa bia enyini ti wo mu enu nti ya di edano shonko na charger group of companies for omakoye wo mo ado ye diska ka ho ne num de ekeka ho ena nsemi ebetoja
Odina sumjemu ebenso echere wo mo adwen se efiri bra ni takite ikuchuru ebetena so se gamanche asumdwie aba enkranfo mu pa ne senti ena charger group of companies akone na sensra ekobo no obaso se wetimi ahwe ama asumdwie aba wonu mu a ete enkran asase so penimpa woda charger group of companies ano eye Emmanuel Bokete na nchirimo ode to yamane boni enim eni
se wo hwe 50 time obetra akonya iso no minti hwasi bebre na wo Accra abafom and especially the peaceful existence now you celebrate homo one and say a peaceful won't see previously you celebrate homo the way and we are team we are come we are saying nina under the leadership near who say nina and free of a swati cry and you say no or you're a legend and you're babe celebrating for the peaceful celebration of the just and dead Omowa Yenina ye experience or Greater Accra.
Tachiman tumia hine onwa so yes ana hine wo Tachiman Traditional Council wo Bono East Mantemu nana ankoma from Pong or the Ghana Education Service nimo se omamba pa esu no womoma enidi nkwada no asase mu na yede yi dwemudie ene keta se hyenso afiri ho Bono Mantemu yamane boni ye Christian Forukuma etwaso
Tachiman Traditional Council no de oma fimpinu nye denomiensa Tachiman Festival of Arts and Culture sheshe so de ma basic schools ahodwa eho Tachiman na wojumedi na se no sana hene de ma council yi nana ankoma frempon ekyerɛkyerɛ mu kwa ahodo bi betimi afa o maya mamrani amane ebekoso aboho ban na sanso so no de futu ma Ghana de hwe nyina se wa mamrani amane a wo kyerɛ won frase schools ahodwo mu no wo mumboa ne ntumi ankonkan
Ghana Education Service se yewo amamrani amane bi a ye kyerɛ no mambapa adesua se pese ye man no katasehye ene proye efriman mudi a ye nhyase emfa mambapa adesua ana nkyerɛkyerɛ no enhye mofra nanse na benhu papa ne bone na ye man atimi atumpon
enwechi Nana Nchibo Siakon ya wono Tachiman Municipal Education Director enso kyerɛ mu di nti a amamrani amane wɔmode aka wɔmadesua ho a wo kyerɛ wɔ mpotam ho
ni nyina ne sɛ yempese yemmabuna eba no omure be fi omamamre eni baabi omufre ni nyina agina ye kasa ye kaso ni nyina agina aduane a ye di atade a ye hye yafa ye bi bia ye enema ye pese omuhunu efa ye aduane die mu ye ntade hye mu ye kasa mu ye dwabo ye ntuma fram bi bia ye bia no ena ye pese ye de hye omu
Oman Ghana ye ka oman a nyamishro ewo mu a yedi mu akotene pa ne saninti kintampo mensin ne mu krache pani Isaac Bafo ameya wonso de to obi bia nim sa hohoye ne ye ji obi atumu ntete safo no ne ade no ye masa enkabo mu no anya adwuma sumdue no enkoso antena ye mu ne na meno so aboa mo men akonkan ewo ya sumdue ho nsema Adom TV etwaso
Municipal Chief Executive MC Makintampo Isaac Bafo Amiyao Edi atudwa se Christopher enwese wono ebeka onu abom na oman asumdue nu yakoso amano ayedwuma abra Apostle Continuation Church ewo Magazine District efre no maneko kasa wo dwumedie na ase no eho ana ode se futue ema Christopher
enkaboma a Christopher any Christians yebetima together na yina yetimi asum nyame kwan paso enunti medanase ba bia wokọ no ọka onfa saa suru nkọ mama yenyim se weesum nti na tabia na the problem ba na tabia no se ye wonka boma na asundie wo wa ene betumi asum nyame Christopher betumi asum nyame na Muslim so atimi asum nyame ye nyina de kọ na ye etime stress ye nkoswa na religious tolerance na ewo Ghana no ye nkoswa no obi anfa ni die ma ne yonko na ma asundie mbra na etimi asum nyame
Omanfo bi a womo nso ene Adom News nsentwofo ekasa no womo nso ekasa fa ensema MC na eka ye ne bi
kana de no de mfonso bi enu ya tonase ya menhu bi krampo se ye sha se bi na mi firi me mofrase no Christopher no Muslimfo anya ntokwa based on religion tambia ye nyina se omo ye sala se ya ye ben omo no omo wie aduane no omo tumi ba beche bi ye no omo bibia omo ye otubadin a ye no omo na akwakobo omo enti ye te ye ho ase enti aboa
Hana bema kwan na no pay Badwam kase no medi esie wada roma ma memre kitua bi na menye sankrato yi mrada bonkrata no wa ha na fi online stories no ye de atoa so akwasinsin be kama ho nti twam ho sime ya ba ye ba ye betoa so ye da se ye mo akwa ba bi me Adom TV Badwam na o hwana fe na wasori ehunu ye na ye de kase no akwa akogu awie nti de du so no ye de bonkrata no e na fi online stories na aba be ka ye nsa no channel so say ye wi agudie mu nsem e wo ho health tips no wo ho na watchi Apollo e ho komo ene ye di abapa nti mesre obi aye wo amfa nkonipem bo wani hu ban hye ba bi din se be ye ye obi a nti e ho komo ene ye di ne na watchi mu ono abo Bismarck akwasinsia enso na aye kradui ye no aye still free
so income na one fans so nim de nti a
me anam start e majaka go nya nu wo nti no I was here come was here
if you are refie woni paso
na 1967
1967 Kwame Nkrumah time na omo tunu kura efiri ade so ma
me say 2067 abeba
2067 na wonte wi ase
ne nti na make
ma yeda ne abeba boys ne ya we ubisa osmosis bisa piara
osmosis o mamponi
me say e campaign no nye mamponfo nko anaye seb nipa ne di nipa ho adanse emma nipa so na gi nipa die efie nipa asem obetimi akafa obetimi ase owi ase nyina obi no obi nkasa not because one want to call because of no bi aka kire obi so pa obi asem wa entirely won hia ne da because of no bi aka kire enti die na aka kire asante mampo pato camera ni hwem na ka chom se me bantom to aba fama me
yo enti incoming 2067 because this is on the gina he mun cheno we proper kwa mu no obeba na wa besom sompa enti mo hwe ne neyo na nyame ya no no ba ne ho so ne ya hwe no enti no ma menchia mejo wo US Uncle Tony anopai mechia wo memoache minim se bibie e fine bibia e boko ma wo ne awusi anyame hira why e da se
o che ma menso menchia
aso wa che awie is okay
ma menchia pani ba ko
ye ne sa dia che ndia do so we ko democrat bebre
ma menchia ma hin ko brazil
7 ani 7 baby a wo bia
oh ma hin ko brazil
obolo daddy ma fe na pa
ye de yame ase to bia so afio why se na otaye no enye o se ba bedu no ba kirikirem we enye nkiremu tente
okwa ezo onye ehwe
iwe tena mekasa enye nkiremu tente kakra bia wonya bia
so okonti bibia ko
daily guide so osmenko AG bemoans corruption in public procurement process. Fake doctor arrested at Comfort Anochi Teaching Hospital. IGP Concert tape. Superintendent Asari spills beans. Minority suspends Bank of Ghana protest. Hadia for real. I will talk. Enough is enough. Daily Guide, I don't know. Daily Graphic. Ghana committed to climate leadership. John Abdullahi Jinapo. Graphic Mecom Management Confer. Men's Gold customers will get justice. AG assures at Cambridge Forum. God so contained found dead in forest. A same way they fear. Oh.
There.
Page 13.
Oh, forest.
Hey, it's a forest.
I didn't want to be able to
if you name. Oh.
Now you're rich, you know. And I need pan aqua dinner.
A bit be possible.
It's a moment be BBI normal. Didn't mean concrete. I say BBI normal. Say any padas and in the and we all think no more. On my walking, wait me a kumobi. Where did the other the action? Or better war. Nyai sadi and fair ni breni and who young kum ni pasa. Now so found say Juma. And when I'm near Cosi Penny back with reading common. And now youth in our banning page, my boss so look like you in a day. And Yanasa, Baboni and Yanasa, as all bre. So I dare be a would who be an away be a who say a one cause I was sweat. And I would dear money mule be Sam. No one is so sorry, we're done with the street. And so Kobusana say,
Obia so sorry, I don't go straight. No counting billions. And
now yes, up and I don't could be there be no. Because I'm when bread, but one could be any kind of overcall. Obey any many kinds of obey. No one ya sadi and I phone and a malam quenwana a range. No, what drown out to range in us. And no, dear, no, Montomo, a braboy, a botere, kakra, now be drew ho. Oh, here, pa 2000 now. They owe them the Uber 2008. And I said, Nancy, I'm possible 2017. I'll hear now. Difference in here huge.
And you one day,
woman, yes, I a woman, and me, BBI come and say, a process, kakra. Oh, boy, and rush it.
Obia for Yasio.
Obia
for Yasi. But would the young Maya, why you also be as now wouldn't you? A
baby, Debbie.
Obia
and a war for no yan be more drinks, and yes, he can't go. Yes. And yes, he can't go.
Ideas.
Bibi Kakra, be just pay attention.
But now introduce one more bit, and that will be the end. So, you so quite show so could billion
the amount. I don't appreciate it any part. Obedia Manassas is here.
Obey me more foot tobacco could be a better life. Entire life around. So, focus sika. Too much. Sika.
So, penya. Oh, predodo. And Ananya me fa crazy. Yapa, kumo be papa, obi di share papa bi. Breadwinner. Kuno just like that. And I nam no okunuku.
New secret. Yes. New secret tape on IGP's removal pops up. Committee to conduct.
Because some know to say, baby, be so.
Yes.
But I say, petitions or so many young kata baby.
Na, but the Yamia said, I feel them penny for some common. Ye ni pete mubiem.
Because one more correct so I'm going to be the baby.
I make a say. I don't be carrying up, Papa be free. Eh, you better not gonna force what 10 year cost them so and common cost so what say ya. Come on, you know, see it.
Or more my benina, or my ready per se. Or can't be some baby. And no back come
for example, America say, a year or penny Alex Mensa.
Aye.
Yes, or retirement man or no. It will just one fun again, yes, why?
Oh,
Papa for say bet me cry say that nani o say ye de man akwankwa je mi na ahwere no Alex Mensa on me fia se ye kase ye man bibia bia mu a nyame adom ni obedi di ahwe ne yire ne makopin so nkwa be wudie betimi aka to so wo but ko ye be fa so aboy yankasa so ye man ho bra because obetu tuntu kra me hu say Ghana police service no entokonto kra wo mu no e ya me na
some day be cause and then I Mr. Asari oh no lie done na so ho someone walk out to send someone come so
yes
into on him said nay baby what dre a wa pe ye be 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 sin ti so walk said the tie I am careful be a can I ran now your bamboo moon some I think that is good say what say free cameras there was a tea and almost family now they also more shock who see mushroom banner on one year no more bambono in nice so I don't hear here just a young so what chili you operation yes
this woman now will say please have the crowd bemwa you go for any IG pinka Ubo pium na mom kakana come to me what me about information
and it's bad
and what was up so teen 7 you know the ide dey na uti dey Daily Graphic and the Finder yanko online free Ghana card registration records low turnout
no mutie Ghana for the afoba ya say ya jiji sika enya ade free no so nkoye when you 15 years kono kokko register and so to where there na me last minute no more na ye queue na no so ye di akire na record
go baby ni
yes sada ade busy as abre ayi NI for want to order for take how many minutes
go
oh God
me announce aka one day
ah behwe
obekoda ni papem
yeah ni etwa ho picture na de social media na sa
ene ekwe na live ha ene ekwe ene enhwe ene esi machine be jame
because ono so ya na adwuma wa bre ene machine esi we kono register 15 year wo hwe me sabe kono register because they say bibia Ghana card bibia wo ye bia Ghana card na so one register wo beda ye bank transaction wo beda na bibia Ghana card o ti mun koye awofo no mun kan kire mofra no because mo krasa be o ma wie JHS 15 for
no phone bi kro wo kro bi so
nya ya min mo bi o wo ha bi onye pani toto afia da ko banka eze o hia Ghana card won na pani te se what Ghana onye Ghana card
low turnout or never low turnout this week we nyina be low turnout
that's why phase 2
yes maninka 2-3 days na ko hwe ni pe wa asia 20 pa na free baby na aba
free ni for 15 years no wo wonya 18 na wonya ye no onka nti mo ani na ho
around bi afia 4,169 pregnant women die in 5 years
4,000
yes 169 due to complications from pregnancy or childbirth
no correct Yema bebre ya ma penfo no bi me de se nyinsa ni awo ni intimate se mema na kra na frɛ okɔ hospital doctor na wo hwe no oni wo yam ya adesua ene wo asua no wo picture se na bibi be ye no maduro se me de akɔhyɛ mpaase no maduro o se me de akɔhyɛ mpaase won kɔ antenatal nti bede ne yehunu wo status ne akra na wo da wo yebo no wo te wo ba pa wa fa furo 5 months won kɔ hospital da onko hospital da ene say awo kan wa hu yaka niema na kire bibi ye wote ho ase onko ntem na akontem a ye de ensa be rewura ho enti time wa bedu ho no na say emergency bia na ye late ni nyina kan ya so ye ka ho bi ye be wie ni e ko blame professionals no so omu nyi wo madwuma yie awo kan wote fie ye den ode ne say ahia ni nyina ye adwuma ni bia kakran kakra wonko hospital ntem ye mo aduru anom wonyem a wo hu se wa menstrate obosumi edi kan fast ko hospital ni ahwe se ye nyinsen a ya hwew enye nyinsen na ya yare a ya hwew na wonye we no nyina behwe nipa e ma penfo enye so yare odi nipa e baby 69 almost 500
almost 5,200
enye sika o nipa na ewu
nipa 4,000 ye kan wasem
so for me say almost 5,000 omo because of what dia kwere ba wiase enye kwa say yes a ba ye kan kwasi ebi mu de omo ye bibia pepepo nanso eba mumie nyina ye hwe yie before wo benyem bompaye wanyem bompaye wo bompaye defo obia nu moja ne mu enfa wo nyinsen en ni dia agro na mama nyinsen munyanyima no ayi mofu so de da bonten za
pictures
share woni mani na na monten de ono wo pe edia be se be kaiser me second boy yes me yi me hu na tade no ase mafu mano na eda ho like hu papa bi san me ko fie na me nkwa akiri mpo me sister bestra me jare kwa me pie free fie jare me se emenu ka kwa ho me se fie na chi wo ba bia o ye store ho de wo san me se me yi ni show dodo
yeah
my dear Wushi obi no ka say kire wa e mo ne bayi
right
oya panimu wa yes open ye ko kan na mo de ato ye de no wa yes open wo tufu because eni ene nam no nye
na mo ko hospital
na ko hospital mama
ya mo do so no
ene so dodo hwe na wo kwanyem no na wonim se wo ne ma do so ebu ha me so wo nom pa na afie gina wo bo nya abotere relax ma fie no mra performance na no wa no mu a eno ani wo BP wo maduro wo hospital
wo sa nyim sa wo BP no maduro
na wa wo ho so ani su chin on report e normal em se kom na de o em se oti na yo ya me sure wo nyim no ani su bire wo anya kom
enye normal
for hospital ni en hyew na wen mu nyina nema wen mu nyina ka ho na ye nua ma no mo papa bi odi akora ba wi ase wa firi mu o mi ahwie ho ye o mi ahwie ho ye ye pamo achew na ya mo amadofo mo yire no mo papa bi mo sisters afasa akwan so afiri mu no nya men ka mo ho mo chekire mo re na mo me nyina ye nka mom na ye nsi maternal death anokwan
yen se no kwa yen ti so se hwi
so de ntimi ntwa kora ye twa so
yes for time they are not in
nti ya wi ya da se nti ye mfansi ha ye kwa agudie mu nsam etoa so na fe apomuden mu nsam apollo na ene mamboatma ya hosepenso ebeba so okay wo fe na de odo no e won komo ho nti twa won ombeba sisia
Badwam TV so Adom TV so bedwonjuma die so dia wo kansi ho sempai sa kenna no pensu ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwanten kodin sama odo sa kenna no pensu bi e wo Ghana agudie age so no smam say richuku omodi adasa on sabetia ka bi betia no show day no na ma wetia start to day right in a Ghanaian way richuku ne oketo ayi wadantem na fe obode hodoma on set me ke bi betia bo yipa amaniama etia to yi ediamao game park games and some paying for CM Fenjan say o dial star 946 hash network na bia obetimi di 4 numbers na odidi from 0 to 9 Mr. boys dia e di na nyasem keto krafa ho jim na so baba bi se bia obetimi se di na boa e ma osika sem so ne ma etia to yi ediamao de bia no ye draw no eba so Adom TV so at 9 am 12 pm and 6 pm daily from Monday to Sunday and as anhye so create ba so amano pa na se wan ni anopa na obetimi de wia wan ni wia obetimi de nwere into 3 times and this anhye so create ba game park games from paying for as the National Lottery Authority from paying for and the tertiary unimu firi ngotwen fa ho nyim and afesu ye ka game park games ano age so se more mula more power omo and this ka ba ni amanfo dia edi no enya asem keto okra journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from first step yen shase MFMF komawdo no so 8% ppm dia na se former Spanish defender ni any Sergio Ramos ono so adjoin ni Boywood Air Club Sevilla 18 years after say ujai club no the ni 18 sache Real Madrid for kachi ekusi akande mom komo a wechire nsuni Sergio Ramos nkomo kakra no ana Sergio Manucho ye oscillating and revolving reporter den komo no 18 sache but quickly em fan 18 sache the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana ya wada ebe Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium no omne Central African Republic for and the against in ebitin aboso the long awaiting squad no empem for the tuja over the weekend nenra 12 players in Yakunya, Edio Manicha Class Sports Stadium, down since in quarter town. So, Bibia and Bitrema, Umubu Market, Masado, Mani, Etia Sachi, Kumas, Namako Town, Sicilian, so Sebea, Yamia Dom, Nase, a Central African Republic Fono, Yenium Eddie, a senior, Umu Ebiti Dim Kunim, or Sarkinsin. Sergio Manucho and the Black Stars on Kumoka Council 18 Giants. Still on Black Stars, no, Chris Youth in the squad, no, it didn't be a PPM amount for, say, a boom, Junior Montias, Susan say, captain for the national team, and there Ramidi Morgan Ayo. We see Sabrino, Okobo 6 months loan contract, where we and so Nadia, War Club, and so Yatun Sandia friend, Chris Youth in HH Mintia, Watun Sandia Fair, Didi
Ayo. Growing conceptions doesn't. It's not something that means too much to me. Now, from my point of view as head coach, it's about the squad that I want and the reasons for each player to be in the squad. So, what is a perception outside? I don't know, and this is not my concern. What I have to do is I have to pick a squad. And that squad can be made up of young, exciting players. They can be made up of perhaps more experienced players. There will always be, in the general public, there will always be a lot of debate about who should be in the squad and who shouldn't. And there are players, and Andre comes into a category. We know that he hasn't played as much, so we're knowledgeable about the amount of games that he's played, but I also know what he means to the squad. He's our captain. I know what he gives the squad as regards, and anybody in the squad. It's never just about their abilities. It's about what they bring to the squad, some experience, some know-how, how they can affect the other players. So for every player that's in the squad, there is a reason, and there will always be debate about any member of the squad. And I'm quite sure, if I asked you, or if I asked the gentleman sitting over there or the gentleman sitting over there, their squads, I'm quite sure that there will be players in the squad that will be different that are in there.
The Black Stars coach Chris Hutton out in Kase Ochechi Minti Aton said their friend Andrea Midide Morgan Ayo, captain for the side, only club there, but Aton said their friend Someboa, a Massacres, Kese, and the Central African Republic, no, Nyama and 2 years and Fama Ghana. Meanwhile, Ukuma, GFA Vice President, Tura Macadon, so S. Paying for 7 to May, say, Black Stars, on Betty and Dom, when you were conscious of Kusin and same performance, no, Ayana and Shada and Kuyi, Ayana and Yonan Saint, Umjidi Pass, as a Black Stars, is seen in Queen Biocrum.
Nobody is happy with their performance. I think Chris will be the first person to tell you he himself is not happy with the performance either. We expect more, and we are Ghana. So, like I said, it is not for the lack of talent. I think it's what we've seen or what we saw in Qatar. We saw that this team can be quite dynamic. So it's a question of making sure that we is picking all the right players, and also ensuring that the system that he's deploying is quite dynamic enough to be able to break teams down, and so that we can get results. So that is the Chris. That is the challenge that he and his technical team have now, and we will support them 100% to make sure that. But it's something that they are working on day and night to make sure that they pick the right team to be able to provide that dynamic results that we are looking for, and the dynamic play that we know the Black Stars were playing. So it's something that he's working on, and he knows it. He knows the whole country is expecting that, and we are expecting that.
And you are expecting that improvement next week, Thursday, against Central African Republic.
The process has started. We expect to see marked improvement in the performance, and we want that. We are Ghana. We don't, people don't just say, hey, South Africa, watch your back. Watch your 3, 4, be 5 billion. But that's how. But football has changed.
Na football association Makado ana atene council de nkomo eja e dey afa the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Mountain ho quickly yemfa ni chire mu e wo Ghana football association abato a enchi bibetian sa baso no me no kasa dey Alhaji Abdulkarim Gusa tabiri semina kopi mo court entimpenfo ahudo on process no na oma converting ayehwe nim say be hu ne pass vetting ne went am pass vetting but me no kasa dey ye twentwen so kakra ansa na George Akwese free a presidential aspirant o hwe nim say nyame adoma obepre Ghana football association no na onenkomo kakra tuansa ba se FIFO mpanyimfo atiegwa so sisi no omo mani da ono munya kokuduro na omo justify kira ban ntia eso utimi ma clubs nsika na omo edi omani 8 century mu Africa na fe eboa e ma Ghana league no so etime tumpu
se ye enyeme yia e wo see etimi make a case before government.
Okay,
now elsewhere it's been practiced and it's been successful. Me can say me can be a mehu si yaye bi ayeye hwe uko the Japanese society a sports ya de bi a Japanese fo mfa ni agro kwa all sports.
Okay,
enti omo tax holiday for corporate companies that puts money in sports.
Okay,
enti yemfa ne say mitimi ko MTN na me convincing MTN say MTN look, come and put your money in Ghana football, because I've been able to convince government that part of your taxes are bet you am buying. You go more sports more you bet me approve no will be waived. Why? a win-win for you. The money goes, but young crown by way of giving us the money, no, will give you the mileage, advertise your product, and then in return, what's in your tax for?
And you think the government will pay to this one?
This young was here transparent.
George Kwesi Free, Japanese mafia, and attending castle didn't come 18 Satujano, when ya FA president to Babidi and Ochese and a team Ponibia say a Kobase Utmiba, Ubitimi, Abwa, Nama, Ghana football, so I did there, I dokonoko, I fem, Intianoso, Kuma onoso, Eddie Ejania bread dindin pa, say a Tunuso Bana from a bois, Emma Ghana Goody, Intimintumpo. Yanko UK based a year boxer, and a set Jima. Freezy McBones and I'm for Dona Bonus and Manefreno. Na same time Ghana Egusu ya usisi ni bechirim Olympic Games 2024. Na sa Olympic Games and aton se da Freezy McBones se omeka ho niamwa ema Ghana intimi engines ka okumadie ewe dwumedia yedimu. Abranti ene file lady adwetwe nkomo na sa nkomo eba so ewa kensi enkomo so na nyodija ni.
I think say Ghana boxing authority. Yeah, they reach out to me. They go through to my management team in terms of Freezy teams and that. Yeah, and then they want me to come back home and help their team. You know, and then because so it was hard for me to make a decision because obviously
maybe because in the UK, why the decision to come to Ghana? Rebecca said UK for the income with a lot of facilities and Sika were home more.
Yeah, but I don't look at it that way. Good. If you look at if I had one fight in UK, I make a lot of money to compare to Ghana currency. Yeah. I make a lot of money. My first fight, my second fight, you know, but sometimes let's put all the money aside and let's look what we can do to help the country. Wow. You know what I'm saying? Especially the youth in the country, they really need somebody to look up to. Wow. You know what I'm saying? Wow. They need someone who say, oh, because of Nipa Renti and I Nipa Renti, I'm not going to give up my life. Wow. I'll keep going because the kind of my story is so different from other boxers, right? You know,
and if Freezy McBones and I'll turn castle and come 18 to your family in a Christian San Comono, now era into day 3 of ADCS African Para Games, no, na Ghana and a hostu on Kraha over 20 countries and the Asian himself can be as no, or Sabe Calor, Sergio Manuchu, I won't come on into us.
Our games in Dikan Kra and Crampo Puliman Timaya GSS, as a host nation. I can say Nasha said, dear, a man who do they be dear Gra, my Ghana, Yajina Mubi, and I will train you yet. Ya mo pa dwumadian won to mano e pani behwe e wo buko boxing arena aman hudu e be pie mu a obi apagya ne franka ahimuye na president Adom African Paralympic Committee ewura Samson Dean o se akense na baye pa na bre di kan no o my Ghana yengu ye ni mu ase.
We should be proud. Ghana, we made it. Represent your interest. I am happy to make the day happen. September 3, 2023 will be the day that we will forever remember in the history of the sport.
No Samson Dean we no and a sports minister Mustafa Yusuf. And so Jack say mu a watch say obi bia wa ba pia my Ghana mu ano ahomban body e mu ba danso on ba yiri Musa Benta se na be ya akan hodo yam rante ne maba ade be hyehye so no obi asum badwe no.
Let us be reminded of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability, which enjoin us to promote, protect, and ensure full and equal enjoyment of all human rights.
The African Para Games 2023 Ghana ha ana 18 sabaso nyame adoma de honkomo bi na akache ne betia sabro but happy birthday enkoma antiakua ampo for prede we efi obaba ko efense gifty or we camera technician ofia o say happy birthday kese pa ne enkoma antiakua ampo for aprede for ya chamu ina se mohwe Adom TV midin de profiki wala sa gudi catch back up Richoku ana fe game park games on the tertiary macrow.
Mame mo kwa bana menase se wo Adom TV Badwam enu awona ne ye nhyɛ ase ne de wo mo ate ase ye ka kyerɛ o se Apollo aye di ho nkomo na wo twi mu no enne ye behwe courses nia ede eba ye Dr. Penny Dr. Rachel Kusi Akosan Busote Adwam na wo twi ode ye fa santete we muti memu ani emu so because ne ka se emu no ebi de ne ye serious so wo de ye chew kakra bi na ekwa obi de won fa ne sa nti na wo twi ani entina se ni ani sa nkomo dog ye mo kwa ba
Esa fia mejos.
Eda se pa no obie na ni so kire ne ehunu Apollo no se de tie ne edin no kra se de bae ene ye pese ehunu course se de na de Apollo ne ba
Medase. The series kai ne say Apollo no ye infection. Infection it may spread pa. Na a viral infection. Just a virus and a cause. Na cause a virus that me say na mo framam. We mu kire say virus bit say enterovirus D70. Ye wo your friend say enterovirus 11 just a nyina ye viral infections na ye kan ye no coincidentally no time ye call the first plane and land wo mu na ye buy but a viral infection or why Trinity
okay
it ye kan no say a viral infection and now most of the time you say airborne make I say nkwa no bi say obi nya kulu na so hwe na nimu a
the best
e bitimi nya wo it a viral infection it me from mamu is a fear contact etiminya obi kura timi de ba consult room de be san ye
aye no kro ye dwuma ye wo ye ti newsroom ye wo ba kunya ya wo an se to so
yeah
even family abusuan se de odi kan ye no
yeah
but as ya na anti ne bi aye se schools mo pa nkra na kofa ba
because
na ya at risk
entin se fear who is at risk me that say when we say I am a cancer first of all no say obi unshia obi na se ni panani aye red e also wan kasa to mu fo
okay
so who is at risk no baby a ni panani aye red na say most of the time be a public gathering e be a school e be a sorry baby a nipa edoso wo ho no e very very common obi atimi fa ye ka no a viral infection etimi so fan from e de ba enu nti no se obi wo bi na kwotna ne nchen a ohun se ade ba ko ne se ade no ye be kan wo science e free a chine ko be to aso ni suban no aye sronko etima na ya ne ade nti no obi wo ha owa otade ne saka nani no
okay
tibo so de so ade mu se ya waja infection de bra so etibo se wonua ba ya na so de sa so mu no wa pick infection ana say airborne nti nipa na kwa ben wo se ni kra no wa fa bi enu nti e ka churches schools efie kra obu ani ni one ne da ene de aba iti ni nyina no woni pa na oben no we are the first risk person
nti chesa no de enima kra ni mpani baby kra timi ya no
baby kra we are make ya kra na me so this the son baby to say 4-5 months and I de Apollo na be sign
na Apollo aye de obede kra hu so na baby 5 months
it's no a viral infection
and de ya de no fu so be guso
is a fiam say say me ka say ni biaba obi ti fie na wo hwe Adom TV a me to for say me sre enkofo ani bebre asay because of some of these primitive things na you use no bit me de no fuso ni adego so sabio nya me bo na de ne ndie mu no boni ma de konti a o ka say no fuso sabio enfi no fo ma me fa feeding kra wakasi enfa nya eye drop of mu ani so enu nti no fuso no ne ma na ewo mu na ani no enye se dia opposite yeah eti bebre na no Apollo ne mra no na ka bia ko mbe bantem no no mo di kan hayen because omo de nema akama aye more severe ense feel bit me ba no nya ska kra won ani so
Apollo no
yeah because they pano at mat na sia mo de ono ankasa ni treatment options ene dey nti no ene ye nema wo si ye hwe
nti Apollo no enya grossa ma ochire nyambo a ye hwe science no ebia ye hu bi kakra ye hu so bi ani aye red na red bia na kire se e Apollo na aye nipa no ana e hu komo na ebedi na ochina ye beto so ochina hwe science any symptoms of Apollo and then so me da se many aso se oje brehwe ye de kan nyina medofo ya ye pay attention na otwe mu nyina Apollo hu komo na ye die ye doctor tinedwom obeboa yensa nti na mama fa unsi ha me di de afia amankwa tamaklo na o shano nti no ye wie e wa Apollo no hu komo na wotwi e ya Apollo nti ne ya hwe courses no medofo ye nhya no nso na ye nyina ye mo ye ho ba ebi aye onko ade mfa mani pem onko pepe bi tena na sha ahwe ni wabi e fa bo ho ba ntisa obawie na abusua ni nyina school num nyina na polo achie de du so no mo me wo give us herbal center for e wa ha a on ba beboa ye na ye di enkomo enu ahodo wa adwama so ne de ye e we nipadua mu no odifo Charles and Agina J. You differ watching. I say, be able to give us herbal mixture and no way, and I give us cold capsules. Coconut, how many is no? The affected my ending come on now, you say in no idea.
Yo, Minna say, na mean charge for any Ghana dish in way. I give us cold capsules and I need pea capsules and also no any. Now, Omega says, a dreamy and we a day na a Epacho, na se wo obi oba bema na so bia also ayem team e wo me so na ayem team also se wo ye oba na wo ye bema na ayem team wo so a eye de how dodo na no na ye etumi e de brew eno nti na Givers Herbal Center ya nka se ye memu hahama ene dubina ene dunsin ene etwitwa ene e de aye aduro e de aba adwaman so we de eye hama macrogen na epacho se wo ye oba na wo ye bema na ayem tim ewo so a ede niam dodo na se de how dodo na no na ede ebrel nye di kan nie obonso bi ho no se enka afine mu ba anase empampan boni bi afine mu ba okobi so bi obeka so na ekuro na woni timi pa acho ekuro bi ani ho a ewo obi tim a ede enka ede ba ni nyina no eye ayem tim na ye ede enka anase empampan boni eden eye a ede fi yenumu ede eba obi nso de ho na yem tiem no ekoho na se oye bema obi se na ma nimpa so agudi abafam obi se da no wona na no opa enu ahodo bi no da bi se wo ye ho adom ento fa Givers co capsules na ebe pegil eye pegative eno na ebe boa ma me no ka se no eye enuane ahodo bi a wedi ama me no ka se ahye nipadua no nyina no ebe hohoro nipadua no emamu atumi ada ho na enu akire no afa Givers P capsules no na eno na tumi aboa ma me no we ka se ne aye entin no mu adwuma na obema sem no etumi akonkan na Givers co capsules no obi wo hono ma me ne aba koko ene amama ya da ye tai ka ho asem yi ye wona hodododo na obi di wo ho wa nani omo se da na ne nsada nani obeposa saa na na fede nani nyina den aye ko obi di wo ho e wona sumu wo hono mo na to sa fede onya praya na watam onya pentopa na wayi ene office no won so a ene onya A4 ya no abobo no odi nu na som sa dako ti anye ye na eye drobe na na say ye drum no ekoka ne say ya na fede e de ohaw etumi e de akwa brew obi nso de oha e woni sisi ene da ne o tena se kakra pa so ene sisi agene ene so obekoto pa de eye na ho aye ne din pepa cho we draw ya ba kope eno na ye Givers co capsules onya edro we ya eno na bema ene wo ba ebetumi aboa ma me no na wetumi anom na bibia no etumi akonkan eye pa enti unya duro na ebra coca ne enti a co capsules ene p capsules ne yafa bomu enie se wanum co capsules na etutu eye wayem tim ukoko ni wa maman se adiama ono na afi de p capsules no so eno eye intini no mu adwuma na ne eteri titi no eye oba obonso oba bi wo ho so me de mini atenka matenka we kire o media me guru mpem a me ntehwe eno ne ka na frigidity nse senya obenya opepa ede ama eye mpem agudie no eye anawo de ewe kire anase wunya sa atenka no kra entunya Givers P capsules na ebeboa na ama watenka ede etumi abasoro entu oba bi a wo hono so media mini atenka bacho wedro ene ye Givers P capsules ena afa Givers co capsules na bema bi nso wo hono mu na nienti ahohia P capsules any co capsules ni nie empem agude anase se wo ba be hu bema anase bema ani be bono no obeka se follow that sequential order anase structure wo ho nia eni hu no edo na ka kira adwen na adwen na ka kira akoma na fe da akoma na pompi moja na ba sebi obema mu na ka se ade akwedie menije ho menya agrobia meyede metumi edi na mu no se intri no weak a eno ene kofa premature ejaculation edeba ne atie ni premature ejaculation ni se ene obo so oba no bedi ni ho agro ne ye bia puma na oremu a wo na afi de eno ano no na bema nso de wo ha ma oba mbisa se wawie ni outumi ye ni me pa cho sa afere ne de ma ne empare obi nso de wo ho a eye erectile dysfunction ni de no kra de ye bakuro ne ho a empagya ni ti na nka pese we pusu ni humpo ene na ni ti esi fam sa me pa cho wo yo ba ana so ye bema na wo sa ohaw no mu na wo yo ba na wo so se watenka e we kira me pa cho we dra na ye givers co capsules and have a givers p capsules ebra ye tutu amama ene ko ase nyina de ama no na eboa ma umpa so agudie me so de etumi akonkan na bibia akoso e wo ho nti anopai aduro we na me kanfo e de ama oba bi o se na tenka we kire ba ma bia wono so ne mpa so agudie e wo fam no onya givers co capsules and have a givers p capsules na eno ene betumi aboa no pa na Ghana fo ama na hotedin wo mo mpese on be kasa change o maka ni mienu abom eno mo friend givers pico givers pico na emrane no so ya givers p capsules no na waje so wo be gina so wo be gina so nti nya draw way mienu ya eno ene betumi aboa wo wenso eya givers herbal mixture na no podi e unam kroma bia o givers antontom da ho givers antontom da ho na ese no ana manfo wo mo ede nam komu ane no menu ababo so obi wo ho no se me no ti hese se ya o sorry abo so me nanse ataatai o ye o so me nan agene ene o so adem kakra o so me nsa ananse aso me nsa me pacho ananse eme so nsa onan entumi engene sa se mo onan baby ebe sense ananse ebe gene na onsa no entumi nya adwuma ya na eye moja endie fusane enko nipedua na kwa no ehonom ene ye kofa sai hawo no eden etumi ede eba entunya givers herbal mixture na enam lemon eni nim tree ewo mu ye nyere no so fa ba fo hwehwem a lemon eboa ema na ne moja na ne titu no se intini no munsu si a ene ye kofa sai hawo no ede ba na intini no be si a eye den eye moja na mo we dodo yen givers herbal center yen ka se moja na mo we enye na mo ne dodo ene ne moroso ene ye kofa sa ha no etumi ede ba enti unya givers herbal mixture na eno ena onom a ebetumi aboa ma awohuru ntini no mu ma moja etumi edi afurusane ma me no ka se brene do nyina no wetumi nya hoden ede akọ onwuma so eno akire wo fa givers herbal mixture na entontom na da ho na ese yakun ede tia eye malaria any fever obi o hwem bedi mi adanse se ye mfie empo ehyan a wotimu mpo de bia na ntontom agemu aboso entime pa onyo givers herbal mixture and as a givers antontom da ho na eno na betumi aboa ma me no ka se na etumi akonkan na nipedua no so ebre na edo nyina no se benya ahoden na enya apomuden patumi agina na so obo so obi wo ho ene osimiti de bia ne baby ye ne ya se wota yare ya na se yare nso nso anso ta be ba so a na ekire se enkwamwa na ebo nipedua ho ban eye immune system no ano ajojo abrase enti givers herbal mixture esa ye immune booster papa no enne ekenya enkwamwa na wo mo ebo nipadua no ho ban ekotia yarewa hoduo bi ebre ene edo nyina no eya eyiniti edie no enti unya givers herbal mixture na eno na betumi aboa ekun etia eye tridi ena afi eye fever no na ni nyina mu no esa boost wi immune system no ma ebre ne edo nyina no etumi aboa na wenya apomodempa enure mienu ya mak di hu komo akere wo enanope enye na okwo herbal shop ebi wo ho pharmaceutical shop ebi wo ho licensed chemical shop bebi eton aduro ewo memu bebi bia no obenya givers herbal mixture and have givers co capsules and givers p capsules se na betumi aboa na ebre ne edo nyina no wetumi enya apomodempa obi pebi ato obi akotobi na bi opɛ kwan ya obetumi afaso anom no na se wo penkyeremu bi a me pacho givers herbal center ya homa trofo ni ni 0501 556828 0501 556828 na woni yen edin komo na bibia na abaso
Odifo yada se pa wabori nyina tofa de amount de kan nyina echi na bibi ekire wadua number no ene na wo screen no ase no na also watumi afre dodo ena wo petu ani nyina wo befre but other shops akese no omo pe dodo to omo betumi akọ
o frɛ na amesi no kran so a ye betumi ni wadi nkomo eja
enti eno ano no ana bibi foforo bia mu ho
bacho
ha na mahu recommendation bi a ni kwan sa apemfo ene oba
ene mo from odi mfinhye dumienu eko se oba endi mfinhye dumienu ya me pacho e ma no
dumienu ba fom
wo
don't ntumi
enu
ena se abofretu ya no fo
no a eno nso na nya dia obetumi ano give us eba mixture no
yen hye no nso e wo ho bibibie mu sa wo ho a bia wo de betu a ene give us eba center for and ayate won kana number ni 0501 556828 0501556828 na give us heba mesha ana p capsules ana se ko capsules ana wo pa ene ne yetwa ede ekire no na ne oso abopiri won wakwa akwajo de ano malaria ha dwe pa de bia wonu mu ato so ntimi ne di wonum give us mesha no bi na ohu se bia aye kama ntimi ne won komo no mame fa ensi ha na tie niema we na sha no so fa mame snits egusu aboye nyina ye nka ye kai na de nyame adom hoden utime koba nye sika to ho mesro kai se ubedu 50 60 65 70 no ahoden a wonya ne wonya ne biem enti sika no a wo nya ne mesro tibito na fa koma snit fo omo fanto ho fa ma na 50 60 ono sa sika no ene bebo ho ban obi nkase yare mra na nso ye nyine na pono mu sisi ni ade ni kwan so ye bede ma wo ma ene abusua wo obi da ho na se bia nso na wo ko obi ho no ye sense kora ntimesrew wa wo ton ice cream wa wo botire wa wo ye baba wa wo ye pedicure manicure ene carpenter yango foi obia wa wo ton tomato so nya do adwuma bia wo ye bia wo nya sika no net bia wo pono ho brana fa bito ho benye ne sa ban adwuma e fonko ana ye obi adwuma wo nso adwuma na wo ye online business na wo ye niam na wo tonton ho no sika ne tv to ho eno so e ye snet contribution also be ya ma ho eno no first net for e wo 0302611622 0302611622 now ne snet di enkomo seed no okada riders strow fa ho agimo ebi Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie ene ho Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, smart TVs range 32 to 55 ubenya bi top fridge tabletop fridges and so ho air conditioner Franco Trading Enterprise no aye eno so ho na CCTV cameras and so e wo ha ye de monitor ba bia wo bia wonya bia etumi eboa wo frɛ Franco 4 number ni 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 0555 939311 now on Franco Forwarding com website and here www.francotrading.com now when it one more edi a year and come more yeah come on what my crowd Eddie Ahusapeno Eba Sofo Penny Apostle Salasi Adai. Happy birthday, come on, Papa Nyami Shrow, Yaminyo Kessie, and was Rano and Yakesia Moon Falso. What you do for Sunya so and Faso, Radino Kessie, because it's all very Kessie, to be a Winima Apostle Salasi Adai. Wishing a happy birthday, can chance them gonna so, Nana Jumano, and was Rano Koswani Kessie. Entire team, bedroom. I wish you a happy birthday. Yami a show. Mamboatman so I a crowd. Yama me akosi Japan ne. Ono no Asia na womodi and come on why say na wa hu say yes. I omo I crowd nti midi afia amankwa atamaklu mamboatma etwaso.
For the Brothers and Sisters Association. Now I share all kodu here or your party papa. From Cafe Bar Noir, Makacho de Sepe breakfast, Papa no, I had in the Ibinian, style baby, or back fix so. Fair fell or Jolu. Police station in Chan Honoma is one number Botuga, na Wasu Etumna, Ababet Nahade, na Abobo one of the chair. Now, Zolting there in the no, Benny legend, be it's Nahade na Yerizizi. Na legend, yeah, meaning it's Nahade, Yerizizi. Orichema na komo ba mama nka no hasem kakra mfa ncheo ofri nacorex mu na opwe in the 90s. Yes, back in the 90s no na oginizi no papa ma to date ogudu ye relevant say ye share enyumto na asawa. There is no way ye baka the list artist yellow money nka ho. Even in her old age no kra no Mama no look fresh, or look like a 14-year-old. Make him a shop had a nimpa describe no or Yakusia Japan, a household name. Mommy, yes. Good morning. Good morning. Breakfast to them. Hey, you. This is baby say she had. Baby say what? Cafe bar noir. And no one no Cafe bar noir. Hold on to you. It's a baby for number from the then be seeming limping up before the bathroom. But still, I come on baby Zaka. It's sharp before you now. Yamisha, when your mamma what's in there? In some baby abba up, especially for the Magamu, who some not young baby and Shadai and issues nothing. And see, and the pay for what day per day, a church train as summer, young Cassinia and one task. First of all, yeah, a lot of stories. Some of the artists know about Makado. Sika wasn't known as royalties. Susa, Gamu, anyone who have issues. I'm a CC and world chamber was all courts. Mpoma wafe meetings been as church here na say. Yo, with them charge phone na. Gamu ye bia ye Gigi, Gigi Sika emayin. Na ye wo law ye this war. FN LI. Kind of copyright regulations 2010. Na eno mabi koswa enko yesi ne wankasa kan yen hwe ye inso abo ye jeje pancakes no am a fruit salad so kakra now musicians ye ra ho papa e kire se sika o se sakale yen sa enka ye wo TV stations, radio stations, hotels and restaurants, ye wo efele say gogo ye wo blank leaf sika apan edemayin a blank levy and some telecommunications nenso. Sister, ye be wie a chumkako jijiskano. A musician can get 200 Ghana a year for royalty. 100 Ghana a year. E be kwenya 50 Ghana cedis a year. Okay. Na echa de erichema royalties or yesika na kagamu tde gamu asiku. What did you free? Ebia sorrowful one ho bars, restaurants, one ma events. Omo we use sound na no sika na nka also there what you tua musicians account no. Sika no at the end of the year no a whole year no na obi anya 50 Ghana. 50 Ghana obi tumi nya 100 Ghana obi tumi nya 80 Ghana. Na 80 Ghana ni ne frɛ am ka che ne senite ye class wenya bi. Oh. Now, your airline also chasing. With that license, you cannot operate. Okay, the airline no any only one rules are this so because almost say no more bread if I say don't almost bread mo letter some way musica almost the rules no regulations but to structural say no was say you kono but they are violating everything. Now, with that license you cannot collect. Gamu for gusu collect it. Ah, in say the gamu any license. The some license no. Okay. 3rd April 2022. And many licenses from the operating. And they are still collecting. The airline lecturers say so collect here. Penalty bill. A friend say I was a criminality to me chill. If you say I say driver would run on the license. No police now stop you. Not actually so me I make car many license so still driving. Police need to be chill. Sana yellow nature. Yellow nature say they should use between 10 to 30% of years economic kojeno. Not 70% on my chama musicians. Yenyanesa. Okay. We share on my expense so we use here. And yes, I'm ketwa. Me mark a crave because time in him. Okay. Almost me here board meetings and refreshment. 132,000 Ghana cedis. 1.3 billion for 4 times on a year. No, a year board meetings and refreshment. Now, Obio Kokochi Discabray a friendly commission 2021. Omo 433,000 Ghana cedis. 4.3 billion. And it's Nimpano Kajid or around Discabay. No commission yet. 433,000 Ghana cedis. That's a 4.3 billion to this coming. Okay, naturally, on your day, you can win ye be. Omunya. omo wonya sika no but sika no kakahye e bia won mo ka gigi sika no ba
and omo ankasa expenses omo ye any consume using more than 30%, but ohwe omo boyi na sa no mo ye gamo for some chance from 2015 almost I saw my annual report no every year bia omo moving equipment na omo to cars, omo to laptops, omo to furniture till date gamo for every year omo to cars, omo to motors, omo to furniture vehicle, omo to computers. Now I don't think that nya men chade Friday ko meeting bi yene Attorney General's office copyright gamo for na kasa na yindi come gamo and they call meeting. Ya call you know, and I me bisa say, hey, come on phone lines so, but I still collecting. And I my ministers say law no, to law what they are. They tell my police for arrest them because law no need this so. And to what we show me spinners, we have more than 15,000 spinners. Omusika bank on number 5 million Ghana cedis, 50 billion.
In the extra spinners there DJs are wobonyom na zinya the mo kofuni na gamro so do tuya wan ka
omo tuya gamro because omo nyansem no mo bia ekuo
okay
ekuo no omo tuya skameko na o se ko no be tuya magamro. They say the gamro for penkofo be from National Spinners Association led by Flash. No mo to me kokoji diska omo ma receipt omo sign a forgery receipt na mo ha make kasa uni prover o kasa careful. I'm very careful what I say. Now gammo na wo hold this any board.
Okay.
The NHS said without a board you cannot call an emergency meeting. Omo ko free emergency meeting. Eko yi new election committee no more another old election committee and look an ensure dan fa kwan. No me ko to aba no. And no na ma old committee ne do mo call court case almost step it down. The asset na no me no tie the gammo yi ni board. Any license. And in the second one, omo ye press conference. Like so, my can say, event say yes, omo license me bomb out here. Omo license name mo make this kind of go my why na small. Money license mo ko this kind of go my. And me the day me body ro catch and go for say. Name mo be in trace kama gamro. Say nya test so many license. And at Attorney General's office, so it's one me boom na me chere airline. So with that license you cannot operate. And it's a gambo for bamo. No mo say on ba beji car. No mo be a gambo for car. No mo can some from license near them. And chere without the license, no more police for machium because it's illegal.
Bocho. Mwako mbro for my
Abafum. Me lunch into me morning breakfast wa abafum and so omu queen and queen sister she me pacho she do en penifo who last 2 years omu we me say yanko bi birthday party ko celebrating the 80th birthday the 90th birthday the 70th birthday they be an ye kwa ye ko si omu she I friend say akwabwa dem be kan omo dem me enam akwabwa ne papa dia mbeka wasem se o man 250 omo kase meboa thank God say Nigeria no ebetena e ka say no kre ni kun ne man ne frɛ me ma ne hu say e ne ja so yare no akɔ hospital na ne si council na mo mre ne ska mo bring 250 Ghana cedis CEO na efendi Bramajeten ebeka say o mo ko hospital rex so man so can be one of the station me find ko hospital ema Bramajeten so mo check ni sike na command 6 day ma me say bisa amba intino musicians semetiana de bia mote se gamo nyese ntokwa na mepe ye wo law ye diso na se law ni ndiso a na se obi aye de ope obi abetna se quality sika mu de mu twa mu woka end of the month mu twa mu ka the mu se mu pay mu na mu di bom 401,000 Ghana cedis billion
the man seminya no they had a report not the explanations of what's going now with
annual report every year bia on the mine it's the make be annual report on one kasa ye de on the mine na me bisa grammar say bi na da be shom bi so mo so mami said director's account no every year there are 460,000 Ghana cedis goes to the director's account e dey dia ushe annual report from the mine from 2015 na kono every year. The last time I can so be some question say omo koji loan 2015 say the baba elections na ushe omo ayi no mucho na omo cho say omo koji 50 million Ghana cedis pachewa na ye share no na 50,000 Ghana cedis. 50,000 Ghana cedis no. Obi ne car ye see na fe ne bramajete no ne car ne kusi awa. Ti ye share law court loan agreement no. Omatro number 7 ho say gamo phone to me trace canoa. The koji loan on hono otumi wura gamo office so eyi bibi opebi akoton e de teneka. Ewo loan agreement no. Afi de omukoje in March, July, and I buy blank leave in the buy. The almost annual report in the buy almost say in return, I'm going to 350,000 Ghana cedis. And many background after 5 months. 10%, you know, every month, you know, almost they ended up paying 150,000 Ghana cedis to the loan lender.
Issues in the also.
Issues in the also, but they hear me, they hear me.
You know, Zeri Kane and I, in some Waran Kasa, I find in Saye.
Annual reports on Mudamaye, and what's in American? Never find it. Don't mama you crying.
Okay.
Because every year, my annual report.
Okay.
Now I want me more be 88,000 Ghana cedis. So I'm did you see camera? Now I'm going to throw Muslim back on for 28,000 Ghana cedis. Buy. Waboka 60,000 Ghana cedis. If any house born. Waboka 60,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana. But me ma answer kaka na enwie. 2020 almost last year December. I'm so more mat penifo no. Anwa and 100 Ghana cedis for Christmas, sister. Akwaba wife said 100 Ghana cedis pe no munyae. Na wo ma impinifo or family, mo mo baby emo akoko and 100 Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, pay omo welfare no mo geno. Omo to me 10% of this Ghana ya enya no to for welfare. Where from to me be 500 something thousand Ghana cedis. Enti no, sister,
I'm able for mukakra. And pay issues no odoso papa nanso no akoso Japan and pay what's something in a day. Now what's not a day now, you know, breakfast. You know, and Adom TV, Adom TV in America. Adom TV, yeah, one report maybe. Why Marco na wenya reports
from them.
Annual reports na what's not had in and so on you happy about no or kaka into no mpena wako from kwenta o me yensu e away kakra na yenzu wa babom nkomo all kwade na sister what's latest with you where you Udari
at the moment today my studio I made new songs. I came out with a song called Jiweni. Our reborn now Misrewu to go. Do my say, time one drinking what it. And no man will fail Misrewa Minya Jiweni. I feel way there my family watching. The met now more be met it me. The met now more be me hammer dream. The met now more be me kume what it. Obeti pies, what a shock. Where we go, Obeti pies, gone too soon. Unam hopper, Obeti ebate, where we stupido, which I said, then I went to a coon, or baby to a coon. A simple and yasem to a coon. Nya upon a friend, too, when they fell stupid. Oh, the gone too soon, go wow. And then I mean, have friend.
Why are people who they into when you are papa?
I feel it, you will need because a minister is a word as a son neighbor. And they say, I met a many. Let me answer like a to margin. Say, Mamma, met him and say, Nammy will come stupid.
Okay, Marco, but don't think that married to a pastor.
Yes.
In terms of my maid, one is all look at them.
I was me pet a release more.
Okay, I can might say that, but me sure over there, many akoso Japan to chunk more from Cafe Badwam, me pede.
Cafe Badwam, so one no papa.
Mobo, one number no, Mazamona. See, Budu had another pede inquiries be answered a drew had a quanda hall 050-160-6975. My mission is to do mobile 050-160-6975. Cafe Badwam, Jolu, police station in Chanahona, Bomozana Brana, Eshe Busama, call enjoy his banya, or city who there obey a fine papa. Akosia. Zoting a day, Ghana for some time now.
Oh, fancy me.
Oh,
thank you. Watching a day.
Okay, for some you see annoy them there's a battle war in here na Nigerians no honintim especially so band them afro beats there na you can want some na be so high life be so high life na watch ho kakra me nyim should will take on that but I was high life for so many years into me nyom papa difference woman
oh shepherd a high life
afro beats no a high life okay
only free high life
okay
now still the high life so by no so and also next time they are mama me na ne papa the high life ne buy
okay
about it na say I
ko be me the papa
ne the high life e be high life no e
buy okay
me mama ne say abrofo na omoteto no na omo past stage so do omo situation no so they are really in a high life and na omo papa no high life and to beba be chire mu yi
okay
and to share rhythms ayebo aponsa konga no nka ho na efi oko deep pa oko northern region oko nkrafo ya ho kafo npa no mbogo me no nka ho no wo hwe guitar na ebo na ntimi de me tinyum bi am we there wo de hwe ayi Paul Simons nimbi boy no man walk down the street oh say a high life
okay
or static crowd with sa aponsa film
yes
and you know Nigeria for no omo nyum na so mo born there the high life film shape okay and nyum there utia na omo so mo promote mo pa into them srem ma minka we be for mesre if you're going out there for a program since the guy for no mo kwa musician video chi akobo bi kaka na mo my popular sa no so mo boa na hala omo mo bo hala life no omo for mo ko na ye ka se person be kasa na bibisa na wama bibi kakra na chantem de yatia omo oye kakra no ma wama omo nya hala the guitar na abia ye xylophone bibi kakra for them to know what Ghanaians do we have and they say where Ghana eat Ghana. And so omo come where Ghana no much suit to ko me why ntoma e ntoma mo betin da pam suit kento betin da pam suit ako
okay
that anyum de a high life
okay na kind of enyum afrobeat na high life no kasa also ufa the fact there say nka yempin for work abrochira won fa artist nka no nadam no tana because me musaze but me care pa da won so international power it's not impin for work was one ze chira
omo mo international no was osibisa for me
okay
omo no mo yo ma agenda na me charge but osibisa na government do omo ko afisa mti bisa se no do omo ko but say there enyum nso obi pobi obebo high life oba na some of the promoters so where they say oba ya che where tiade de tiefa na say dem so fan no you don't feel the high life omo to bofo no mo enti no se komo ba no mo ka so we obi yebi oba be fama ko Maryland obi shanka chen say say ko say de wetwam enti omo de obi na call what they wanted they didn't get it
okay
me show mo airport akosia e be you so ni ho na me say me nipa no ka jem say me ni ho only me feel in the restaurant enti no we have to promote what we have. Promoting high life songs. Share enyum your life.
Sure.
Enyum your life. Share elections are best at it. Obi an for actor me just me act you. Be actor but musicians who write the songs no be just actually go for aba. Enti no your high life no say to me do a chire. Na say the performances no so call your cultural performances ayi MC Hammer. Na say na no say no ko ni say no. Every north.
Okay.
I say I be me na say every
north. Okay.
Oh, I say be brave free. I say be brave when you say no. And what your cultural dances until the cultural dances say you let me go out there. Now before let me start there. And the young no you can go out there for them to love our high life songs that we have. Because perform by Bernie beside me say what I do in Ghana, I live there with all this talent. Yeah. But if I won't get so on near cake, and so I cake and you say young ones, rhythms, yes, or more the young ones. They say, ye try K and ye Scarco studio, and a new good them near ye peer, young ones no to still follow the footsteps of the high life.
True.
But they say no, ye and you good them, and now almost more business no, or bo how bonum 3 months, then you know not what I shall black or no 3 months or cosenium. Meanwhile, Memenium from 33 years, Coco 32 years, is still nightclub near Moko. That's why on Bacon life, one more monument.
Before you see a cabinet, into to a
Debi amiko debi amibeya ekebiniye debi amiko na debi amibeya ekebiniya ekebiniye mintu mintia ekebiniya akosie ekebiniye mintu mintia ekebiniye efise de piano pa
ko me
efise de piano pa ko yeah
e vibe
on pense vibe o se still e fire ju nsugu soji kania soji e mema na ma no ko bobisa na mo je omu ntua
ECG for
e normal procedure
okay
segusua e ade e bekoso a
enum numpo apart from rhythm no num nsam numpo no after so many years no you too you relate to those songs
yes
mako nyame show
se me yoba
nyame show papa
yoba ma yo ma be one kwajo namne o chane ye ya one kwame namne adechen wo kwesi nchen me nso anye se bia ware omubie ni wa wufo ni mno hwe wochna bere nyinsen na bei kwajo senyonwa iya usu anje kwame senyonwa kwesi nso anje o timiye opa ejo nyame bo miye ampa she dress na say girls dress obi to menyem no da ko hye be ma bi so ni memma ne dia ground say bedu ebi no makokoye dia na fa ko say say na nyame dia is still going on a man be bom dwane no bo am dress so nye eto sanum no is 33 years and it's still happening eto nyum ne dia say omo boan ne etumi eribidi nyum sa no omo ban so betie mu nsem na eto da bobra
ncheche mama one sideline one cry
exactly
okay now apas no may happy
when say me share akola bia o perform na it is onim de oya and I say friend say me say obi eni agina na bia nkoye na bibia sesama no de bia na am say me kan mama no I say man here disappoint me omo cry ya rough class the mama okay anytime no bekasa me solve the problem no it makes me happy honestly and I like cleaning okay so baby I fancy
cleaner no when you are
hello I clean I clean to well breakfast bra na mom no me last make us last mom me say me diveti kakra
men ko gamu
ama me ko gamu e ba tese obi mama bi cheska me pa che bebe oba no ba jiska bo modern na ema police engine the airline train
ma ko yesro na zoting dey end da na Sasandi reason ko mo bi fa drug addiction ho especially for artists young artists na za industry no mo me nyim dey were very strong opinions and you share them.
Yes.
What's your opinion on from like young artists that wear drugs?
Sister, and baby no, Santa nyom before ta. Obi introduce you.
Okay.
And they say, "O upbringing mo feel no was solid. Be so back yesa."
Okay.
America, me starting music no and Tamara. My first performance a friend say art center na when National Theatre band na number be support me no on ba be bono na omu nunu ayi white bi papa ne kono hwi plastic no anom odrumo obema me bi anom na se papa dey ni osono ma be ye hye o perform me crowd no go na one friend am say patch me ko Holy Child Secondary School me perform in front of 6,000 students Black Santa to me feriade and na make us say me come no me ya cause say me ba he ke bi shembag me performance me dream say eno now young ones ne fan one if you don't do this want me high enye the way until nim say do find a man high man perform me intimacy so you up and coming musician and that's home data now o producer and so manager introducing to something enye or adam phobia no beer tell the person and answer walk off because only the bakwa e beto us this nya me bem na dey ya ne say o ma me bekas me person obey music o bekas me person obey music never be and drug addict ti me slam am o hwe me sre enye music pe mo am acting obi owa oye no oye high bi me sre o mo mbo football wo woni yakopon ache wa chede ti di say ya che yakopon de ama enye de wo nom ye another wo ye ne ma onya sa chede me sre na emra for because mo say young person bi na say wa ya na say wa boda ma aye me ya say no twa young one so ma boda omo dos ti me sre obata nyin say 9 months no me wo me ma no for me show na be wie tie no no wa de konse ni e man ko mu nu ko ne mo wan musicians man de be no musicians no even the gospel singers and koyi intimacy don't start nemeka don't even touch it
no an addiction I could Japan a high life legend e wo krom hade na ne pay mini share wo cafe bar no a ye have breakfast na ye season komo bia ohia here papa o industry ni mu na ye background even though komo no aye de nti no mada wase pada ne pay ase wa deje na betina hade na nyima twetwe komo bebre nyame hiro ma me na nyame nkodan fo nye adwuma de mpo no sisi anhya da mbonyum da first no so still ma mo microphone wa hade ya eso ne ndafo no
mikusu star
nti no nyame hiro papa nyame hiro papa nti no makra ho na makodo na matua mezibando cafe ba no a owo jowulu police station in Channel ho pocho waso bra maka cho mpo no say we group of friends kra na packages na ze fine wa hade kuku aye manager wa hade wo ba wo mo hwehwe no Adom TV Adom TV code ne bra ai obata odo 10% mezi besi hade izeno the Fantidor president for the Brothers and Sisters Association sisi azmakron nyame ya adoma ochema ye besam yeshia
asem yidiko hinna beka akwasi insia commander 6 karo seniatia
Wana do won to asafo awurade so no ade nyina dibua won na ewie won yie yede ye man ahye Nyankopon sai de yenim se besi yie na awie yie de amayen bede de akwasensia asemi de kambre na asen ewusafo so bia ho ye ana no pemenu won komo ketua bia bedi ba quickly mesre Electricity Company of Ghana. William Boateng no mpanefo. Modi adibi di Ghana fo a ensem fata. And amanfo complain sadu ya complain but it seems say ECG person me ya hwehwe. Still ma saspo mo mante se yekodwitwa amanfo kanem. Amanfo permitters wonya Amanfo pay bills and ma. Waka Yesi for enfi. We are not sasuma operation zero for say. Ye could count for Canyon because one cheer one bills. Bills in Ben Amdiamu. And you see, it's becoming so sickening. Pardon my word. But a year before your time, William Water no bafo. Ade. I'm for here bills to pay. What pali up now could do 10 times so much here. Musibu for so much here and career come you so. But most of you are lazy. Your workers should stop being lazy. I'm for permitters. Wanya etu atikro mika wonna sumu desu de bi monne ma ye ayi basa o ma musa bosi wati na mafo ntwa na mafo bills ba na mde amom bosi wati de ata munya sad na mo church na sad ya bufu dodo Kwa work some office, I request for meters. Ema no na sum. Na waka be na sum. Mon be se be kanu krache. And no pem de nyam kranti na mwa ha. Office of the President will be a mechiao, especially about your friend say Barbara Mills tete. So here. Barbara. We marshal. Bradinyame. We marshal, my yamun show. I feel my boss, why? Barbara Mills tete office of the President. I don't permit you. My yamun show. Suffer my boss. I make your video be quick one Independence Square. Has an attitude upon somebody. Yanka say Independence Square. Ghana. Baby or Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na pamfo ejina ye. Ete sa fe de Ghana enyan fa hundie March bosume de to so nsia afi apem ahankro adwerum enso 1957. Pese na tete apas ma ye de afa. Na sha se kure tutu. Asha se etutu. Radi yame. Yo Ghana. Kabrane tina se abana se ni adwi nyina guni asama contract no nyanka credit wo. That is Ghana for you. Ena particular frame ka yakosinsi anja mo ma men so be your money o ma ya mo munye so munye. Because la mo kana nkosi aga. Because ya bambuo. Ya na ya awrafo. Because enye nipa na wo hweso no se ba se ye kwa akoye a ye kosiri fufra enye ni sika eti de bibie no apusu ne se ba menka ho asem na yensie ade be kose Ghana kakra bi ba obetra se yenwiri ade ni nyina ngu se Confanochi maternity block erada be tiere nkofo bose abaya ya ade o se ye dwira gu ne be se ufro nim gu asefo eti o mamu yenim wasem o yenim wasem obi aboye kase ye boni pakraba so government upon government that nasia ma Confanochi maternity block aye katos maso Ghana aban wona kodwigu eska speni anya de ketwa block cement ni anwe kom nyina ye kwa ye sad Ghana sika ese pegya hufre ye se bo ehwa baso de bia nka so man nka se nye serious so penfo na ye nya no o man ye serious Independence Square. And now America mampani abede chire ba ni ko nyam kra hye mama me se ade bebu aguma me tri mama akofa ni guase abagana ba bia keka kono na ade ni nyina piepie hwe TV ne so hwe me na kam se enka public works department for nanka ehweso me am ti ase safire ye yiri akọ office of the president so me be maintenance ne so office of the president afọ pe obi obisa na asem a unya yeah, ready. Edio. As me can say, Edio. Me see ni pada seni ya ade ne hye ne so hwe ma ye. Ni esie se be koso Ghana ba bi 2 Ghana cedis no. Ompe. Because 2 cedis no percentage o mu a be say 30% ompe. Eto betwa ya ma kodu ba bi ma ya ka kire wo se ye se nwiri Independence Square engum ni yesiru for ne he se ka ne kase Ghana ni krono se twom. And I say a man how to save my Ghana? It seems say you be asking. How to save your my Ghana? It seems say you be asking. And look, maintenance. There be a say maintenance culture. Your maintenance culture. Ewo form. One wants to the show munsa and benefit ye. But abdebia say abro ni pesemim kominya e de ye ni mu kanti ne sabi ya nwiri ye man ase enwu. It's not as if say ade na say ya enwu. But pesemim kominya ni sika pedodo ntino ya nwiri nwu na sika na obenya na enye kese. Ani adwirigu dey say contract mu anedema. No do 10% nya de ketua. Be ka say kwa kwesi kakra bi de wom. It won nye enye nasem. Shame unto us. Shame unto us. Shame unto successive government. To Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Shame unto you all. Shame. Maintaining our heritage. Ya nkasi ye dio nyo bi dia o. Ye Ghana ye dia. E ho ne do 6 match ye ma ye mofra ko salai eto santene. Enchima baba sua se ahamre bi ba ya Ghana mampania no ni kan mpanfo gina simpie ni apaso wa hanom ye mana sei onzo he otivi onzo owura ho ubesu Ghana no ubesu empanfo yi o meye wade ama ebeti wakoma because me say aye na kanipa na obehwe maintenance so no cost be baby yes o chia half of it me say ene enkwaham yeye but the pass ye kwakoya ne ka prede simple enim tinye nasem Maintenance culture. You know, I say, Kwame Nkrumah, Mizulema say, yeah, but me who be saying Fijian, but I say Pasam. Maintenance culture. Maintenance culture. As in Ghana form. Yes, man said, yeah. Ghana for say, yeah, the economy. TSet, na say, and ama Independence Square, so I say. Office of the President. Administrator one and chief of staff. Mami frema or separate because I'm not meeting command TSA. Yes, see the crack abrewu. Mami frema separate et yet na sia shekai ama Independence Square. I say yam ye bug masa ko tifu frana. Sabra Ghana tete so sabra Ghana pesikadia bo ye bra no. Yes, set na sia Independence Square. And so ye katosum. So, wabere bi cement ba ko mienu ene betumi abo asiesie no. Instead cement be so high e be si from. Nyanwi oman ho. Muma yanwi oman Ghana ho. Muma yanwi Ghana kanko Ghana mpuntuo Ghana ye yo ho. Ye timi tnase nya hwama Independence Square. Sene anka che se yesam mungum nya budget mfama no. But if you make us those in authority through, or be holding responsible. Or be holding responsible. Let me say, yeah, na kawai nipa na oheso no, yeah, tini free sikemwa. Come on from a city up. One say no. Politician, you money did you home? Timon say no. Why? Montras in your hair and say no. Sir. Kobe sound say maintenance quarter one also maintaining. Why? Because you want crop for you chew me just for this. And yeah, then you free Minister of Works and Housing, Echo Presidency. And yeah, then a maintenance of Independence Square. You the free Ministry of Works and Housing and the core presidency. And where is the audit report for the maintenance of Independence Square? Why? Yeah, man, first, I'm there. I'm here to watch the result to us. Because I know beyond Shada crying is serious. Oh, me did your questions here. Pense mu to us. Kasa semi edika. Ya mamu nyina kwa babiem emfa emra bedwam so pense mu bre na asogo so hwe bedwam on Adom TV DSTV channel 280 of Go TV channel 119 so o hwe live and so ewo ehonum sa so na betimi live and so ewo YouTube search for Adom TV. Social media, baby, I be search for Adom TV. Ube hu ye live, honum. There are comments to streaming ase. Ya be jen brepem aken kan dia mamedin de akwesi ensia. Ya fa na seke se koma ba heba. Ade se de ba heba ba entramanfo enya dompem hawo nyina etuo etwa. Je se asi tua na etua ne sa. De be ka cho nya so yo bi a wako hospital doctor ka cho so nompe. Emu abahawa baby a make am for the amount ba heba esa so baka chenkwa na akwa obenya ayaresa ya emu edona emu epie ene gan ha de on ya gina to wonya basobode kura de free Semba Africa Business Excellence Awards 2019 on e bona about say bandom pemu ya de sapa dia usan ba heba ho a yeni baby a ebi ewo biem to dom pemu ha obi a obi akomo chen e Tema Community 16 oben Lashibi Bawas Club Kumasi so owo Atonsu Agogo owo eye Agogo Hospital no echi word ma bi na frɛ 0244 083 482 0244 083 482 and 0273 500 012 0273 500 012 Ba Heba or say expert in bone related diseases. Mame kwa man quick na me ko di enko me ne Fred Force no na customer for Edma Men's Gold customers. About Attorney General assurance or dem say omenya justice wo number one issue here wo court yi eho. Fred, what you can watch on a pay eba bedroom jumedi so. Hello, Fred. Hello, Fred. Hello. Okay, ebe sa try masa enya Fred e wa hwan so ebe ne na atwe enkomo. Dominion herbal powder enso ne yen se tea. Ne ohia yen so hie. Sa aka fa gum na no ma no pa bi ebe boa e yade how bia de fu ni padwam di amount. So, people what ebe boa pa. Obi onum Dominion herbal powder bia je atum se ampa o ka herbal powder eye papa na badwa so a ebo to yade ase a eno a ene Dominion herbal powder. Me so hia so hie. Sa 1 teaspoon efagum na the stir no na no pa bia ebe boost immune system aboa akon yade nyina Dominion herbal ointment so ene wapo no wapo so na ye oya tibine fastra bia ye oya no ebe hyase tu kakra bo se eyi pains ne nyina e de efrom pebito ewo enkran Repatch Ventures Nana Boachi herbal Angel herbal shops Ashama for Enko Ekus Pharmacy Temako Little George Health Shop Kofodia for Enko Gapsin Pharmacy, Delight Pharmacy, or Hinena Heba, or Wiskobi Pharmacy and Central Market no AD and Mishem. Soon for Enko Tony K Pharmacy, Achim or Dance for Nature Nanaya Provision Store, Kennedy Drug Store, Sumanyako Nagiza Pharmacy, 0543 158 195, 0543 158 195. Dominion Herbal Powders for your well-being. Fred Force Nasaba was a Fred, good morning. Fred, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Fred Force, good morning. Mano to Muni Fred Fris na Homano me to one about Ebenezer tell abi NDC member of parliament for Lower Menya Krobo constituency in the Eastern region. Sansuna Ebenezer Nati as a former MP for Ablekuma Central constituency in the Greater Accra region. And was separating be say NPP delegates be say piano be ma come share your film no akọ to anuma pa na oye no eso. Ara boko re. Ibi a sheye. Boko. Say dey ukro mu nkane asem ni nyina is sorted.
Well, there's a semblance of peace around the society.
Resemblance.
Semblance of peace.
Semblance.
Yes.
Hey.
As in your
You didn't say a twitch corona semblance there, say.
Oh, sir, until you will see no name the echoes.
Okay.
That is what for the cameras, you know. But there are few complaints here and there. But hopefully, we solve.
Okay. But if I am not Uncle try Fred Force, Fred, good morning.
Good morning, Akusi.
Boko there.
Yeah, me there chain.
Yeah, there. Me as a Fred Force here customer for the men's good customers. And Attorney General Emo assurance say, "Omenya justice." I want me number one issue emo. Fred, muti say ya. Etimo saying.
Ebi kan me chia una etiefo nyina ne nkaka men's good customers o muti. Efi yetini say na chese ya ejidi say ya sen papa. Ubakaya for the past 4 years. Attorney General ya kana hansama say case no delay or court ena ya min charge last week where case no fi the lower court other court the higher court on once na odi echire nti na assurance of my atibenya justice attending sa na yensu nyina ya hwehwe ni mum no ye ntiase attending say yes yebenya attending including and foremost the payment of our money nti ye give say asamba me manati say yeah customers so fiti last week o to sana mo even the woman say for the past 1 year no in office e didi hu komo akwachi
okay
fiti last week sa me ba bonten no e di enida so sunku bi abehye customers ni mo nti yes strength so me yen sustain sa enida so no so obaye djuma na aboa na yenya tenten no nti ye no ye pledge say we shall cooperate fully with this office and we are committed to the legal process. Because everybody, we must have justice.
Okay.
And I don't multimedia there.
Yeah. Fred said, "Mama tentina mo share ni mono
on this matter."
Sama tentina mo share ni mono say mon sabe ka musika. Say him say nanse nanka na muan so me nhye bi agu akwamu a or measure say a roll out payment at the amount customers. And yet, and Camoyano.
Oh, a chrono.
Oh,
a chrono. Let's call a spade. He was a chrono. In telling Pony the letter, the petition command IGP saw one channel. I am one post up to now. I could buy Brent and other one now. A chrono, Saturday, a chrono, a dream, or boy a chrono. I could see all the Macau. Won't meet your mechano. Now I was a could take company by a friend, pay the boy. You go to your pay boy in the car. Pay boy between a catcher, work with now with the mechanic, say, I feed the Tianaka. Only way a chrono. A chrono, a corruption, you see. IGP. Say one day, you know, you are against a slab, because we are looking for that one. We want you to arrest him. What you do is 650 and see what you uncle from the evidence that about thing.
Okay.
Into Munkachino. Mr. Attorney General, at the end of the day, we are happy with it. We will cooperate. In fact, we are also calling for daily trial. On the 19th, you have a court will be. The Pep Senator, for daily trial, you have 10 and 10. Now, you have to say, Penny. Last year, now, Yamiadum, on my petition in Breno. Yes, trying to say, why the criminal case in the court, because already waiting for years, that young fee. I'm for over 210 on my bailout package. Now, and due, it will help him. Say, yet to say, Penny Akasa, after your petition, now, I'm sure those dry bones among us will begin to receive life.
Okay.
Because I tell you, now, you know, Abano, and then it does what Abraham. So my parents will cast to say, okay, baby, I do, who petition a little bit to and the more say, in between one. On compassionate ground, I appeal to him. I don't want him, parents. Okay. Papa, inside the saying.
What's a friend?
A bailout plan.
Yo, you better pass what you bring out train command pay customer for my men's good customers for forcing. And I'm just saying, no, air train and common. Even. What's the reason?
Nyamiadum.
Grounds here.
Nyamiadum.
Delegates no GDN back.
Oh.
And I still feel.
The point is say the delegates in Ablekuma Central in MPP, the candidate that they believe say they will go with him come 2024. Okay. And there's no other person than Ibzani Nanati.
Okay.
Simply because in the time of difficulties on
yeah.
In the time when he got opportunity, not the constituency, and he still live in a constituency.
Okay.
In their difficulties, we are with them.
Okay.
In BBA muno, ejumapemu today, ebimu nyamiadom omu drive on car because I got them the opportunity.
Okay.
Ebimu oho amasi omu dan omu team because I get them the opportunity. Yeah, man opportunity man to have constituency. I was living with them in a constituency. Time I COVID by here, don't share them no. I was the one who was feeding them. Oh yes. So they know.
That's a COVID time now. I buy a feed among for that.
COVID time, government never gave me one person to buy anything for my people. Government never buy the municipal assembly.
Okay.
And the MC was the one distributing it.
Okay.
But what I was giving out to people was for my own pocket money.
But I buy for now so
sadly because I buy to me
Okay. Okay.
But my main fan I can say my constituency for.
Okay.
Ablekuma Central constituency. Nititri Minya Baba Kwa or Koforidua local prisons. Joyce Ewa our prisons say Ewa Koforidua. And this is one of my products when I became a member of parliament. So sometimes some of these people me need to meet. And I thank God say Obibia so and now me so wanya bibiye no they are making me proud at everywhere they are working. And there's something that I'm so happy about it.
I don't know why I'm from the among for the constituency. So when this force could be one of them.
Yeah.
Yes. Because of GDN trust.
Yeah, of course.
Your old Monty.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
When we need GDN,
sure.
Yeah.
And the general population in the constituency,
yes, of course.
They are frame.
Decision
now, and this is for making.
And it is going to happen. It has always happened.
In shaky. Sitting in shaky.
Ewo Kwan Benson.
I say, a bit me and Danny.
Daniel Kohiva.
say call a opposing party.
Opposing party, the one. Which one?
Obey NPP. Say,
I'm sorry. Well, I don't know. But I'm sorry. It will never happen there. NC. The NDC is alive.
Okay.
A warm constituency. Okay. Now, and the crowd, the air Koswa, where at the way Ghanaians, they are more expecting or more dream near there. I can make a change in your bosom on train kakra. Mon say ni sika sisi. Because there's no way of it you are going to sit in the view.
Oh.
Want to mean influence.
Oh, no.
This is it before. And the Ababaji had it.
They don't know much about the constituency.
Oh, I know very well.
So you can't say this is it.
I know very well.
And MPP, NDC won that seat in 92.
Okay.
We won that seat from 96 to 2008.
Okay.
In 2009 to 2012, I contested with Atachai.
Okay, yeah.
And I beat you.
And then he beat me. I won in 2016.
Yeah.
Is that? Yes, no.
Twice.
He didn't beat me twice. He beat me first about in 2008.
What I'm saying is that he beat you, the MPP, twice.
Yes. So you check the successes of the constituency.
Okay. But what I'm saying is that
from 92 to date, the number of elections are higher now. NDC, MPP have won more than NDC.
Okay.
Into the 2012.
I'm telling you, sir.
Oh, definitely you. There's no way you tell me, sir. There's no way you tell us I'll win the election. There's no way. There's no way you sit here.
Hold your fire now.
There's no way.
Not this time around.
There's no way you say that about me. I will break the 8. There's no way you say that.
Not this time around.
There's no way you say that.
But I said, what about your share? Men's good.
Very well.
Attorney General assurance. Did you almost win your assurance anymore?
You me that's it. Metia eti for name constituency for nyina. Na the ecoso with men's gold no.
Okay.
Me the American chire men's gold ni se omo ye customers so se omo ye clients so se omo ye whatever. Baby adie kodui me I believe say this is the time they should forget about it.
We forget about the millions of cities now.
And I make say a bar and shame because what the Attorney General is doing now is a smoke screen. They all know I don't trust him. Look, they should not put their trust in what the man has said. Look, when you could be white read the content of what he said. It is greed.
Yeah.
Because the customers are greedy. And
the one portion say all blame you also.
But you see, he has so soon forgotten say it was this same government, more officials, ministers, even the presidency was part of those who did the PR for this men's good thing to go on.
Oh wow.
If the president continues to entertain such a person, ministers move out with him on programs near the first lady, he was sponsoring him. Of say and building confidence. And mama for GDS say what the man is doing is right.
You sponsor first lady on what?
The programs.
First lady, as the charity programs now.
Yes.
As or no as Nanapia Men's and so contributed.
Men's gold, yes, that's what I'm saying. He was master. What was call presidency? Who was only president pictures? Who was those the only minister for tourism near the no call around. So if the minister comes out to call customers say me greedy there, then they are the cause. What no misleading Ghanaians and don't do because when he had the money and he was moving around with them and he was sponsoring some of the activities, no money in them. So they were part of it because it is not for nothing. No, see celebrities. Yeah, adverts for alcohol. Because when people see it, they see you as their role model. So whatever you do, they want to do it. They want to practice it.
Okay.
And if the president found it, reasonable, say only men's gold. No need to picture. The ministers in them. Or there, no play, no we TV so you think people will not put their money there? Then you turn around and come and say they are greedy. He should give it a break. Look, me na make I say, the customers, one more and dear pay no, the ombe those who are there no, me person me catch them say, for to the extent say papa we benya, boy young this young man benya akukudro, no asan come out with another scheme to take 650 Ghana from customers. Say on no verification. Wama kwako kiwo labadi ni baby some time pass. Oba also majority of the people didn't qualify. What do you mean by that? If this guy had no support from somewhere, you think he can confidently come out? What here their customer can almost spokesperson can say. Time over somebody who is in court for fraud, for doing illegal business, for misleading people, out with such a scheme, and nobody is commenting. Some others have even gone to put their money there. If you want to go to 2025, they'll be come on the and you were security apparatus, you were securities and exchanges for no. And boy, yes, I didn't.
And you believe the system is
and you know the system is supporting him. Look, the kind of protection that guy has. What you don't have some. Me as a member of parliament, that's what I'm saying.
The
system is Nisika on your scanning fever. Somebody who has fraudulently defrauded people.
It's an accusation.
Oh, what are you talking about? What are you telling me? What kind of accusation? I am not imagining it. It's the truth.
But he has never been convicted on same.
Please. Where is the money? Customers is going away. Where is it? Where is our money? A waiver. The customers will be a waiver. To the extent say, Wesanya Kukudro say, oh, come and pay. If you don't pay, then forget.
Yeah.
Who told you that? Why on your side, Kukudro fever? What's about a TV so be a lusu or no? If so be a lusua, and also be a former and can say grab. So be what kumu and or no. A tick of it. But you see, I don't blame him.
Okay.
Because the system is supporting him. The system projected him to that level. The system assisted him in misleading people. The system assisted him in deceiving people into putting their money there. Because they were in cahoot with him. What didn't them? And it you know, the minister about out say or prefer charges, new charges against them.
Yeah.
You should give it a break. Go ahead on ye, but they may catch your customers and say, baby, I did go do be air koi. The earlier they forget about it, the better. Because who you argue fish not to be big or bad, what for the same bonus.
Oh, okay. What for
but I don't see anything coming out of this. Because the person can be say, I can buy because say a boy because of what he has started again. Because the strategy is that there are numerous customers, thousands. So be able to 650. I know 1,000 people are just 650,000.
But honorable, men's goal existed before Akufo-Addo was sworn into office.
Master, they make say.
Can we then say a binder than an non support it? Nana Pia men's media.
Did you see John Mahama who said who saw the
evidence.
That's the point. Let me say.
Okay.
One more saw Nasi because at the time,
yeah, from Kasua.
From Kasua to whatever now. Yeah. He was arrested.
Yeah.
Dear no crown, Emma for me and son, a buy way by. A buy way by and I didn't wish him.
Abandon who share.
Yes, no, only ministers now. I call a friend say presidency. I'm a president, grab a president on the other.
Maybe be an down for no.
Show me your friend. That means I'll show you your character. Birds of the same feathers move together.
That's
what I'm saying. Oh yeah, you say a down for the which means the oil on him. On him.
They may just say a beer and a down for no because.
Oh well, and I make say okay, a beer and a down for no.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's not down for no so in the
yeah, say on him. Because I don't see I say a buying a blame. No what do you call it? One of the government spokesperson be by one of the sister station also. The other can say only the on can say because time I'm catch customer say ma womu form sick on to womu they came. Look, when government has misled, government agent appointees near they have misled the people who do sika kokko no we no.
Okay.
And on our back say meanwhile no so no papa no so what do you call it onyamre aban mpanyimfo onyamre de man.
Okay.
E kan ho ahemfo akese bi kura so saa e kan ho ni nyina kan ho. And if you are role models, how they will look up to you. What do you want to go on more? Who be from some be greedy?
Honorable,
who from some be greedy?
At the fan say your system no and the febi no a year lose. It's man be taking advantage of this nature or Ghana additions.
The American say
enya na mo ankwana aba. Yenya pyramid any idea for. Maybe be a system was here any BM.
I am say. Okay, we start here. Yeah, no maybe be air course to say.
Yeah.
Estatia no fe na agihini na starting na we die no de bua no kra ma ni gihini ma for gidi wo ma e be members of parliament ni ade kra bi mu kra di wo musika ko program no yeah so I mean say bi hu say minister for tourism and then now promote I forgot the program na no me here no now I call president who born ambassador. You think I won't put my money there?
MPs do sika comments go.
Oh yes, MPs do sika coin. Why?
Then maybe they also greedy. Send them.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Attorney General is making reference to say.
Listen, and what is happening? What is happening to Bank of Ghana?
Okay.
What is happening to amount of the sika coin securities and bonds? What is happening? Are they also greedy? Are they also greedy? One more do sika more haircut. Are they greedy? Who do you think I call Bank of Ghana and then one catch you say, yeah, more interest. I mean, yeah, are you greedy?
Okay, so
what are you talking about? Every life, it's all about risk. You take risk. What do they make an say? It doesn't make you a greedy person. We are investment. People go and buy vehicles. That I see.
Yeah.
That I see. And you cannot say depending are greedy. But when you do that,
yeah.
I say, well, I mean, you have a certain standard operating mechanism here. Everybody must know.
At least and work as well.
What are you talking about?
In say investment there, the average percentage of interest should not be somewhere better 10% within a month.
That is a lie. When you say amount for Bobo Sian, 100% in it, 300% in it. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes. And it is amount for Bobo Sian, I didn't know depend him. And then who could you be sick as you go here? Say, look, there's a lot going on. There are people who will give you money and then who go ahead you want to buy the close of the day 50%. Because you need the Juma to
It wouldn't agree their risk.
I risk anybody takes you. And then you like any other person, not because they say, or cousin me greedy, they are then former attorney
Chief
Justice. Normally I don't know Sikaku. Omko securities in Ibona, then there, Yamom haircutter, Omko Piketty, and no one else greedy. What are you talking about? Obiti invest in poultry and then millions make me. Is he greedy? And they are risk that Nippon taking.
Okay.
So if say who's a Nippon the fraud woman,
yeah,
man, Miss Akutrebino.
Okay.
Go ahead, say Ube prosecute the person.
Okay.
What they are demanding now, they say, yeah, person, omu didn't cock daily. Say the bay omitting who the end of the case, no,
but
because the man
freedom
and information when you cry, most of the things that you pretend say I hear say what transfer all of those things to other people.
Okay, so information and yet BB our can SUP. What's information?
No, that's what I heard.
And yes,
that's what I heard.
Oh, now we're tell me what I say.
You see, say issue eba and they be a make us say now say we try say we will not deal with the issue just as it is.
Okay.
But you be fun political way. You lose the substance of the issue.
Okay.
And you to me and dealing with the issue just as it is. Because we will all take a partisan entrenched position. Now, who take a partisan entrenched position now, there will be a lot of references.
Okay.
In the end of the day, no, near Abbas say now you say to me a swan no, you to me swan. For me, I think say number one fakwan paso anye na ejuma yi.
Okay.
Secondly, the institutions are as I say omushe say otumi ye de say oye no so no omuso anye omo ejuma yi.
Okay.
So now who do you blame? Do you blame government? Say obi di sika koto bank. As he was making reference, we know some MPs. Amoko jisika wo Pakistan bank. They couldn't even pay. They are still even in parliament today.
Hey, that's my idea.
Yet the MPs amoko jisika wo Pakistan do.
So they alone.
So my loan.
It's not the same thing. I will be so investment.
So could do investment or man.
Also could do investment. I say, Missy and MPs. I'm going to Pakistan to Missy Community Parliament and say, I'm in
the one year black and a band this MP, sir.
No, but you see, it is not wrong. It is not wrong.
On a book, customer can say,
let me just explain something. The American say, the Papa Kenny, my bone of contention, okay. The fact was he, customers get greedy.
For because 10% investment.
Me the misika. Bakwesi Indu
investment fund.
Yes. Me the misika ko 2
No, who discuss ko 2
Me Emma eno so
okay,
eno say
the mom ko discuss o GN bank.
Yes. And then they say loans, they say to me.
As loan. And then they say omantia I count my bank no gu here. They are part of it.
Then I buy so the car buy so tia.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
Say honorable to me Sarahaka say a scam and I buy him hubi and I buy in fact Priam buy I was young but Priam started one administration so this is not the NDC administration. Saudi bar was sunyane about 3 or 4 friends institutions no we're not NDC administration where people not accusing friends Jamal Mayere said he was part of it.
MPP it was the MPP that was accused.
So you two today are saying say men's go there and you see that's why Mika said when we bring politics into it, you to me so because when you make references, I can give you thousands of the references.
No, you don't understand what I said.
So we should not do partisan with it.
Okay.
No.
But rather no. Let's see how best we can deal with the issue.
But okay.
And deal with the person.
Okay,
and deal with the institution that is supposed to deal with the person.
No, can you say? Aban na montu, aban crofobia na montu bi omni na montu ye no. And the man for being a GD one is
Sasu na aban na etwemu no ana montobi. And then the yirimu ana montobi. Tom Hama yiri ana montobi. And the man for the omusu kako says asu na ne de anemu.
But you say
so the American say when you do that
but you say and I can say Lordina Muhammad there's no evidence say.
So where is the evidence say? Where is the evidence say? Aban Nanado amamomu.
Okay.
Where is the evidence say? Naman ekoman nanado ekoman friends antibekisika. Where is the evidence? Where is the evidence? Say Naman was sponsoring Antibekis Foundation. Where is the evidence?
Also contributed to the foundation. Of which to me there will be able to me a contribution.
So why are you asking me for Lordina there evidence?
There may just Lordina there's no evidence.
So but Nanado then there's evidence.
No chance or say or contributing. Let me just say contribution to a foundation there. Obi able to me a contribution.
So that's the same applies to Lordina there no?
There be Lordina there near the same.
Why are you not the same? I didn't say they're the same. I don't say foundation. I don't only a building. Every foundation is a foundation.
Okay.
Foundation piano apart from the building foundation. But what I say, evidence that Labi Foundation, and I say Kwesi Foundation, and I say Ebenezate Foundation is a foundation. Adom FM Foundation is a foundation. So who can tell me say, oh, yeah. You see, Eben, Kwesi,
Amen.
Nya,
okay.
Me ready say,
okay.
Appropriate institutions,
okay.
The police, the courts, the Security Exchange Commission, should deal with the issue just as it is.
Okay.
As I said, I am happy say Udi Omo a friend is a Pia Udu Kasayan. Or say honestly me last week or the last week me say yes say or some make you ask 50 no.
Yeah.
I'm say kwa welcome for.
For verification.
What kind of?
Are you telling me say it doesn't have a data?
Verify say
verify what? Verify what?
Verify say bedoka.
So is it telling us say all your Jumani you don't need data of the people?
Oh, data about pay
so verification may not work evidence. You see, so when minister say ebimu wo ha o man ye de se so mo ya
to me agree.
Nipa no aju sika 4 years. You are putting in so much that he cannot pay you. The person turn himself and come back and tell you say come and pay 650. Now Jimmy Kaka Kotia. I mean, so be what said. Now drink here. Can't you see this man want to fraud you?
Okay, so for example, this man will call you verification who say men's gold in the cap 48,000. As man can you say no crest say Ochia says 15 and Sabeka 48,000 now. And you far better of course or have 48,000 cities. Here what men's gold one them. Near so you says 15 family says can officer at least minya 40,000 crab you okay.
Maybe say
yeah.
Verification ban not so mumeye.
To authenticate say and pass a men's gold edoka.
Men's gold OG or musika no gold no. Not only data of it. Are you telling me say uko bank house services here don't get your data for you?
Ebi o menya but men's gold onya.
So if I no verification na mom.
The kaka no upon egu no.
Oh, you see, sometimes we push government into certain things.
Okay.
I feel like the blame name by. For me, Attorney General Department, your aging and any deputies, no.
Yeah.
I think they have started a good course. I pray, so we'll get to the end of this matter within a very short time.
Okay.
Now, a Japadia, you see a G free ho. Honorable is saying, say, what? Minu, yen to me, and can say
information.
In fact, your what, no, I've also heard the same thing.
Oh, okay.
In fact, just I think the last week, this week, kind of same thing said. But then we're discussing this.
Okay.
And the partner said, oh, I said, I see properties need to be or transfer for them. But the person even mentioned there's one store be East Lagos who call Gethsemane Hall. In fact, Saturday week, now you call a year we need a men's good there.
And so you see, now one count this Twitter conversation we say a Japanese be no organ and did that.
So that's what I've also
for the fact on record say come on Twitter conversation. Fine. So only Japanese be organ.
So wherever what Japanese be no, we have it. But there was an issue like Dubai.
Yeah.
So all these things, what happens to it? So I think say the security agencies know, the police, the Security Exchange Commission and then the court need to speed up with it.
So, Ghana was asking.
Oh yes. So Ghana is a name breaker and the Attorney General will not take this matter up and deal with it.
When Yoko was dealing with it, Atiwa by outside only they will name
but when you look, Utie Attorney General, now Utie na namonto all year. It tells you how serious it is to deal with this matter. Because yes, I know people have died through this.
Yeah,
I know people. Look, some of these things go home. Obi, I know. In fact, not I know the person, a friend of mine, who is also currently an MP. Catch him say, "Masa, you go invest what your friend is saying."
Let's go.
No. Park we see there no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na Mr. Masa, me mean to me yes, me need ask am no kwa me need ask am. Who say you should buy no? No friend. Say ben. Asema kan na be mu no. Na me say want me anko use also me di interest no. Na me san rolling out.
A dino.
No, but see, I said men's go there no. Obi so obi ko gini there na. Obi ha. They were lucky. They were very frustrated. Originally, then the following way, and so I want to make a passionate appeal to the Minister for Attorney General and Minister of Justice. So people have lost their life because of this investment.
Yeah.
People have gone mad because of this investment.
Yeah.
In Kofo, say because of this investment.
Yeah.
if there's any way that he can deal with this matter and get the people's money back to them, even if not all, that's all, a percentage of his money now, I think it's better to be Abua. And I am making this appeal to him. And I know, say, definitely no, we'll get to the root of this matter.
But even when more, how about who women say, Sanema say, Koswa, it affects the investment sector of our economy.
Yeah.
The GDA,
yes,
for me, say, major investment. Yeah. Because a bumper for man, say, let's invest in Ghana. Let's invest in Ghana. Me invest in Ghana, near Bayam one. Me invest in Ghana, near Bayam haircutter. Then how will I get that trust?
The haircut issue is different from Namuan there. No? The haircut issue is that the circumstances of issue that has happened.
And what's okay?
But the haircut, the friends say the bond there, no government have given you a timeline.
Yeah.
Also, this time, I said me tiaoka, me to me tiaoka this time. Me to me ko bobusia wa kwesi. Ma bombusia 10,000.
And fam ko sorti mo ha.
Me ko sorti me out. Me tiao next week.
Yeah.
Next week you do. Also kwesi me to me memo of 50,000. They are kind of spreading money. That's exactly what Ghana government is doing. But in this case, it's different.
But it's affecting Mimisi can because the value of money.
I agree perfectly with you. But I'm saying, sir, in this case, you end up by getting your money, but not on the time and now we will pay.
Yeah.
But in this one, it's a total fraud.
Okay.
But you see, Yama institutions no coin and no moye do pay.
Okay.
And a Yama a bimu coin. There are a lot of companies, institutions, and their friends saying, "Do maybe we will have quite some fast no, or fast, but they are operating." And people that are supposed to have oversight responsibility over these things, no, have closed their eyes because of our Look, there's one institution I don't want to mention the name.
Okay.
They were doing auditing people and then. Yeah. There are people who are hijacking the system. So instead of you to pay 1,000, you go and pay 100 cedis, then they pocket the rest.
Digitalization in our area.
I'm telling you. But whatever it is, depend on operating. But the institutions that say to deal with some of these things, no, it be more.
You
see, and then, but just 1 minute. You better can't say one thing.
Yeah.
Your family to need police van go go.
Yes.
And Baba out because even the military for any even for night.
Police for the
there are even police for any military for near first site also. Masa Yebaho.
And the 7 o'clock so called baby near. Send the galamsey so as I jinte se wo.
But at the end of the game, government GDA said military will be able to fight. So at the end of the day, you come and blame Nado. And I'm a boy because I'm not a president.
Sure.
But the Nado can, because the Nado ain't to me what baby ain't no. That's a question. Now commit to go back to
the been for leadership.
Yes. But if leadership have given instructions, do this.
Na enye adwuma. Leadership fires. Ebi na ne otumfo ya ye nyina ye bo na baso.
Most of the people
so na nkasa na hemfo ye etu anamu a ensem fata. Most of
the people are being dealt with. And that's why Mika says, you see, it's because everything we do in this country is partisan.
No. Okay. Yeah, it is.
Everything is partisan.
Mate, that's it. Or whatever, so my menu mo wimbra. Yam point.
Let me make my comment.
Let's stop.
Let me make my comment before I will lose track of everything.
Because maybe that's or say my boy is this guy. Game Park bre answer. Numbers be na Edward no pay. Game Park up next. Yebeti ye na ye win no ye dem wo say ye. Where we name instrument pa ba. We are 12. Na number 6. Ye be sa bo numbers for. Cause no twa. Obi na dia no pay. Ewia obedi. We na ewia obedi anwumere. Enti kai say no nsia we ebompre no. Obi dia abo anopa. Obi dia be bo anwumere. Game Park. Honorable Ebenezer.
Yes, the American minion Ejima no akosi boni no say.
Okay.
You see, obisa wo mo ye marketing ni ade wo say be branding.
Yeah.
Na branding no we use all manner of
in different shapes and forms.
Right. Obi wo hono ma even here members of parliament.
Yeah.
Obi di mitwa obi di no take a picture.
Yeah.
No they know. Because he's come so close to you on picture into people will trust him.
Sure.
Say nipani a criminal. Obi use him for criminal activities.
Yeah.
anything as much as possible no as I say you watch it saa no ma no
okay
wow the American say minister no ba no see we the men's gold customers no ye na greedy the person me kire say aban anamusifo ne president ne nkrofo ne bi ka ho na manfo ne agidie wo
and we are victim
because one grant it shouldn't be surprised.
So you're a victim.
Say yes, say me a victim. Don't be surprised. I'm a human being.
Do you a victim?
No, they make an answer. Anything no say ene me who say nam one only o 2 4 enam.
Yeah.
Me who say nam one any a friend saying
president
enam. Na ye born abaso. No ni minister tourism nam. No, say this is what oti de oye ni I mean ti say president ababe kan ho asema na minister na kan ho asema na bibia kan ho asema na me disi ka ko shim that's another minister be ka chem say me greedy na ono so kan.
Okay, so into what you know as a result of GDA ya wo no mampanimu ene
mpanyimpo no me nam ni ade no
ti say GDA na ma ho de ko share
okay and two the other thing no so say ni nyina ti no yes ya chi na ye de na court no
yeah
wetimi atrasi have a letterhead to see or access, which means that the men's gold office is still operating.
Yeah.
Which means he is still working. And then me blame Abayano because if indeed Abaye very serious or the new court, by this time the letterheads ni no man you between using your season in your idea and so. Onyahu kwan control sa letter no. Some ultimatum. One farm by 15 va usikashi ni we no. I'm obi an kan hwe but for the customers na no muka say why are they oba be ye dream ni ade bioma what is say attorney general kan say no one say what is say minister of interior kan say no one say what is say security and exchanges work kan say 650 no one say
maybe it's part of evidence of more gather their court.
Oh don't you see we no assumption be it doesn't hold because already no no.
Yeah.
You see the oil no we say correct.
Yeah.
Yes, easy. Almost season normal.
Yeah.
How did he manage to start issuing letter? What? What did Ben on you? Me say system no complicit. How to mean the oil no?
Okay.
What do you mean?
That's it. I'm Mr. 2 so Doctor Kojo.
Just to 1 minute.
Okay.
You see, we are in a very technological era.
Okay.
I can sit here right now and design a letterhead and send to somebody to print it for me.
Okay.
About me imagine all the properties will be because of IT. It can easily do something.
But also cannot say if the fear of the system and the court is
that is why I've been appealing to the police and the courts and the IG to deal with the issue.
Okay.
Because look, Security and Exchange Commission almost are disappointing as Ghanaians. Because at the way now start here, Omuba out, Ombe condemn here. What measures did you put in place to arrest this guy and deal with the matter? So some of the institutions are to be blamed for it. That's why I say I'm applauding the Attorney General for this bold initiative. And I'm hoping, say, you also get favor in the courts. So now, a friend is saying, men's good for the appeal, say, Omubompa, say, Obenya daily trial no, to deal with the matter. No.
Yeah.
I'm also praying for it.
Okay.
And I think when it happens like that, it makes me a boy.
But I say, let's tell I'm starting for you. So, Dr. Kojo Afrejan say it will be in the interest of ND Summers go back to IPAC. And for so
me that say, say utie o watch the course war inquiry na course war parliament.
Yes.
O watch it. Say Ghana institutions are ye nyina ye wo gidie wo mu no. Gidie wo mu nyina no fizzle out melt away. Ni nyina eko. Na oka Dr. Farijan oka say yenko IPAC odika it's as the time I know no war no the time na sa apaki e buy na sa time no na enyemra but a leader bia every good leader bia no otie ne nkofo a oyɛ den ɔne wɔn mo yɛ adwuma no aden electoral commission oni ho because we have to have electoral commission. They are about elections. Now elections are about the people. Now the main stakeholders no election anyway political parties. What do you make an answer? Yeah. Apart from individuals at the district level, no, yeah. the major one no political parties. I want one. And it, you know, say what the programs, any activities be bad. That's a over 2 years. Say now first, no, it was very consultative. I am even cross CSOs ni we no nyina and no ne aye ama ne dey anya reforms e wo electoral system no. This current government no crata ma more opposition no. Yeah. I credit them for a lot of things of opaque ballot boxes. Okay. Because they had opportunity at the IPAC and at the time no the EC boss no he had he was not impervious to advice like we have right now. He was not impervious to advice. Debbie. Otherwise, if yeah, or to say Jimensa, I can you do baby you do our electoral system no. Yeah, dream. And I mean we started with a voter ID cards and a picture screen. Yeah. Now you do opaque ballot boxes no. Yeah. But through consultation, we know our IPAC no. Say no ya must say the transparent. Say ya must say the what do you call it biometric. Yeah. And bibia. Ni nyina fisa kutawudi na hedi na. And then no ya wo EC boss ah. Onu dey say look. To hell with IPAC. Me ba be more information. That is it. That is the meaning of what you do. The poster, no, that is what it means. That is what it connotes. Of the poster. That is what it connotes. Yes, that's what I'm saying. And no nature. I mean, we're boom nature would. The obey no. And nature your intentions there because sebi you utrim. But the obey canon ebe because say ne. O say woman IPAC take decision bia. And I say IPAC to phobia, find your juma. And you're binding. And then the last time we were about more information, you are not coming to deliberate. What did they make? And yes, about the year, but we are not a dream beer to almost him. So, who first only say, you may see a time across our meeting and say, okay. Wow. And I can't, other political parties, no, they didn't believe what we were saying. Recently, yeah. Can you imagine what is going on now? Say, for how many years near voter what do you call it registration? Yeah. How many years near? It's almost 3 years. So if every year cry about 600, 700 people, 700,000 and now 600,000, multiply by 3. Yeah, no, that's the point. And then we are share all the political parties minus NDC though. Akwakoshia say any cost trouble no yankobi mako MPP wo ho we no nyina yakwakoji atum say na de na che no and now the situation we find ourselves right now no ukwachi obi say ofi akuse me ho no let me use my place. Okay. The district office no ewo Udumasi Nwasu kra na wo no. Okay. Ansa na obefi obaba u akuse na opese obabe tro odi a obi a waje 10-18 years. Yeah. A man member womb. So pa say Oba wa 18 years. Obefa car from Akuse to Akuse Junction to Pong. And then Obefa car ababedu no asu and then Obefa need. Hey. Yes. Obefa car mienu and then Obeba. Unless I want private car be on the man of Fihono with Yako. But how many people have private cars on the one back? And it, one money policy, how many 100 Ghana cedis? Because 50 Ghana in, 50 Ghana what? How for 50 Ghana? Yes. Hey. Oh, and it, when you know, Mammy say on Tiasie. On Tiasie. Emma, over here, who is that PNC for almost secretary? Almost secretary general, lady. Let's put that aside.
Yeah.
Let's put it aside. But what I'm saying is, we need to be reasonable as leaders of this country, because one, Ghana Constitution, you know, say, "Maya nye bibia ma ebesi obi kwan say ni din beko abato krakano." By extension, no, we should not do anything to prevent anybody from voting. Who disenfranchise see obi a tiamra. Na say o baba 12 days. Na say 12 days no. Who hwe the American? Baby American, you take akusi. Look, uba constituency one man. Ya wo baby e friend no middle belt. Uba fa ka fi what was it? Waba kosomo ansana waba bon ansana wako naso akwakoye registration. It is a nipa no only 100 one crowd only 200 because they don't motorbikes they call. The motorbike no be due 100 Ghana to akosomo. Yes. So only 200 Ghana.
On to training.
Nipa no 200 no woni bi odo. Odo meko odo we. It is a crowd no e papa.
Okay.
We nyina ti wo mo agree we ye no, wo mo pie ye no. Na Jimensa say, me the maka na maka district offices de babeye. Are you serious? Are you saying say NDC go tra won omuntie sa omuntie tia ye nu sa na? She must reform.
Okay.
On change on many ways.
But I say honorable. Okay. Eben.
You see?
Afarijan NDC IPAC.
The issue now, the topic needs say Afarijan appeal to NDC to return to IPAC.
Yeah.
Now what they are fire friend is
saying. No, I'm giving you reasons why.
So are you accepting his advice or you are not?
I'll give you reasons why we don't need to be there.
Any advice.
I pray that the NDC still boycott IPAC. Okay. That's my prayer.
Okay.
You see, Infanas Afraja Koka Assembly. Okoka Ewo Ada Akosomo. Where NDC lawyers. And you can see, if care is not taken on this country of ours, a bit bo. Because NDC, because of their frustrations and their desperations, now institutions they are decided to say, oh, today as I'm speaking with you, only me say NDC for your lawyers your
association.
They don't belong to the Ghana Bar Association.
Yes.
They have formed their own national association.
We'll take the constitution.
You have the right. Now, as I'm speaking with you, we have NDC Lawyers Association.
Yeah.
NDC Doctors Association.
Okay.
NDC Teachers Association. NDC.
NDC Doctors Association.
I'm telling you.
Aside Ghana Medical Association.
I'm telling you. NDC Teachers Association. NDC Total Drivers Association. NDC Taxi Drivers Association. NDC Media Association. You see, at the moment you do this,
okay,
me, Ube Kaya, the current national chairman of the NDC,
yeah,
Ebe making a passionate appeal to NDC ma, say they shouldn't marry MVP member. Where is this country getting to? So me
say because I'm party for the cake because our chief mine
to contest in the enough.
I say the cake stop you be NDP from contesting.
I still not gone to Kakweno to pick a form to contest.
But let me just say, I see the Ketiaka Assembly no. On stopping NDC ni be or Koware NPP from contesting.
Say and some attitude no dey starting.
But let me just say the same attitude they be war party.
Who says Ofakoto Yaman appointed because Oware to buying?
Who says so?
Who says so? Who says so?
Sanam so party for the
Sana na do catch you.
There be Mrs. party
so
for the
who party me say ministers and deputy ministers who are not we appointed no. Because of NDC.
Minkasa.
Yes, that's what you're saying.
That's
what you're implying.
Minkasa.
That me maintain that Unless if I could do the cars as I'm
there. On that say MPP for be complain say if you could talk about chief dining of the ton MPP Yama NDC. On
is Chief Dining not part of NDC?
Because it's Chief Dining is facing the same fate.
Didn't you go and contest?
When he was going for
didn't you go and contest? And the campaign of Kofumba
you see, me starting on the premise, with what is going on in Parliament.
Okay.
What are you taking a cue from that?
But that's
okay.
So you see, the point they say, Afarijan, graphic reports now, or say, IPAC was established in 1994.
Yeah.
It was established based on the outcome of the 1992 election.
Yeah.
The opposition party at that time, with the MPP, any other political party, raised certain concern about your friend is saying the opaque ballot box and other issues. Because the control about the boss number, so you embrace and to me be my and you appale guma. Tell I because so the money young man say to aba. You be fear no. We go to the passport. The passport me cause I have to the pen. Send not to me too quiet to me. It's a hundred top on the problem say 5,000 no. And then there has been a lot of reforms.
Okay.
Through IPAC. Through IPAC. Because there was a listening DC box.
I agree perfectly with you.
Thank you very much.
But the point is that we are major stakeholders when it comes to elections in this country. The largest opposition party that we have.
Yeah.
We are not attend the smaller parties. But
I'm so much easy boss.
You see, about me, I can say you and I were not there. But as far as some of my there, I'm catching you go for.
That's all my kind of point today.
Look, and then I need to find about you. Didn't they say they have won election?
That's 2020.
2020.
Okay.
I first could take on dinner kind. I didn't know kind.
Also, I may declare results.
Abba. Hey. And so meanwhile, I saw him. Aruna Dusu, Mutaka. In fact, they were in the front line. No more Machako Parliament. Machako easy. Tell me not count.
So Marini.
So not count. Okay, front line. Look, and no Parliament, the majority, a minority, who can't the prominent people, or more no,
okay.
When I was in Parliament, it was the ranking member of Mines and Energy. I will not be surprised today is the chairman of the Mines and Energy Committee, a shadow minister for Mines and Energy. Or front line. And they all marched to EC, saying he said they have won the election. But when they went to court,
assembly is different.
Different.
It was IPAC mission.
Don't want a different thing. Someone come one, so go and speak your mind. And let the right thing I won't say. I am happy say most of the reforms every year.
But I say
reforms same right
because
na second say come production team. Ochina say that from Edmire background.